and now opinion ban the public so panyas of the talk. Sir Prince, Sir Prince, Mobatinka, Nana, you be official unveiling of Sir Prince. Now, me patrol, your water bayano, what didn't you so dia to Jackam and Nabi Piasso at me every paye. Michael Akomia, the sports messiah, Bishop Patapoku, and Afe, Michael Asarabuatu, Omufia, Obati Obianka, Enso Ewo Jumete so, Amabi Piasso at me every paye. Cinco di Mario, at the first time, at the bed on pay, no one may do to no Yama, Equos na enche bia be kwa na ente time chuku na for message pa follow na share na subscribe mami na yenye wadjuma mfoma na pay Mr. Wack Orlando Blanson ana for Roberto Firmino the finisher ana a producer juma dino MC afome Damasepa Ranford onu apamfo na kopon shabo juma mo bono anu oten papa enya sekretary kra wey eye emrantie akrintin wanfo a wo nim de na omutima bobbe onya sekretary moto to nyama bo juma pa enya sekretary kra pay juma de fully pack live on the full-time sports on Sompa 93.1 setting the pain for others to follow. Yababeko, Namon, and study Yabekono, Namikato, Sober Robot, Gentleman Dental Clinical, now call a bonus sin what you want Juma, me patrol, not for Metamaho, no Metama come on, Namikato said, Gentleman Dental Clinical Juma, Womo Papa, ten Papa, Woman, the sin of Pursuit in good, and that's over. What damn, as for the Gentleman Dental Clinic, me patrol, Wadoroma, I get dinner, a pure good, and a pure 70 Sibawa, and Papa the more at a net bright, Wobo Swan, the Sinasino, and Kawanko Babasan, the Snasin Tibasa, or Chen Wincha, what I say, or Castan Wafare, yes, killing and polishing, and of a teeth whitening, was Cinema Pifita, a Gentleman Dental Clinic, Commercial in Aoko. Yababo chuma pama obo astu nanim yinka ana afenso so kaka ana ekuro enso berenum wo se tinam na yemro peste no jefro mu ba wo dere Gentleman Dental Clinic de ko yebehwe kama obi okra wontimi ma ye clinic you would dare so be found man a good screen no what your fair wicked be about was here never be a treatment so demo come pa and now a mobile treatment young clients what as here what bakumas here you are Bepo Johnson and Dana UMP Bank woman you are not so pair you never tell the school edition your total filling station 0559139582 0559 139582 Yahoma Obetuma Fred Gentleman Dental Clinic for Eswet Kobo or Posi Netro in boost Heba Meshanu with Jasso Nabinum Abranti Obetuma Kwaba or who ding pan wetuma Bojuma what any in boost Heba Mesta what I say Ababawa problems are Bosume Swana Winya Ababawa be crow I wanted that what I say nya in boost Heba Meshanibi no bo me pacha babastrono what I say gonorrhea no ebetu ase ya debia to kudi pedjeni bia no what dey oppose netro na enkomo no nya den no moja den say petim emfidi pedjeni mu obu ho hospital doctor me no dro wanuma dro ekwan ba nyina ne hontimi ntode da ne nkomo no ne nkomo no immune system no form me pacha so immune system no benya hoden eto fight yarwa what dey impulse heba mister edo open do to 0246 2084 96 0246 2084 96 anofe impulse pharmacy no me patcho uto brofudro ebibidro ni nyina no obaya so na fo ba betubi ebo ne dafom panya seketo kraye okode ye ne matter disason ne tin hwede bo okode ene ani nkobo 0248 617882 0248 61 7882 Yahoma Obetuma Fe Impulse Pharmacy for na for no modin kobo ama bibia so to concant amount afa kanjen and magic drinking water no me patron nya sekretary kra open so a ebetuma clear onsu ni mo na fe ama onsu no emu etuma da ho constipation betania what them any kanjen and magic drinking water alkaline water enso we yema apin for pa into your pain for enso a also tumi nom na etima hoden ne to ba akrono ban eye kangen and not drinking water na bi no nom na bobo na me catch us so we udru Japan eno anomonom na me patro ni paso obetuma transiata apart from so yakopon ye ne de no ejina so wonom entinya kangen and not drinking water no bobo bi na steady content na wo mu no ebo fom papa mpenifo ye nwadwuma afan fitemu we ye natural abi patro de tene so wonom a eboa eyi bibia efidi fi wo so ni mo ene oni padwane mo na wo datanse eso aba me patro eche kwan ewo Bremen UGC Tafu New Road anasa Bawo Route Junction so ana ubewu kanchen and not drinking water nothing when you bia no no bobo ani ani nkobo panudu to 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahoma ubetuma fe kanchen and not drinking water for him for eswe tibet nkobo afa Joy Cam anasa Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited ha me na make catch us Joy Cam the assisted the Santuma Ghana ha obiase Joy Cam if say masa wusu dane wie na se ope roofing company won betuma roof dano abot dano so ma edano we ye ding and from jampan to the bobo. What has here? And after Humbatu, now so done to say your tear Sompa, what did a Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited? Wamu Yoja, Wamu Juma Part is Concuba for a time, and yes, the Kuto Continental Personality and car. No promoter Sam on Stabet Tobacca, Joy Cam for Uno Metin Coba, Wamabo Botana Swamo, not be Patobo, Mochaquine, and what Tachiman, across Sunyano Bogatanga Tamale. Ha, Mr. Gun had here, and yes, the Kuto Joy Cam for, but Biobafabia. Cam obi obo mabaso no montenso no ne woden anya sem kitokra empa emfedi ana fenso to na seso efia eno ankasa ro no ho ema ehyew ne nka madam da bia man from apa ana fa dam ho enti se wo pretence papa na wo de akuri wo da so dia ko Joy Cam for number putuma so demo IBR afa self lock MSL standard sheet irotals ana fe alosing na accessories ni na no wo mo de bia ba wo mo yam wadwuma panya so ke todo mo ni nkobai 0551 005000 0551 005000 ya homa obetumi afre Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited wonem perefo eso etbet nkoba ama bibiasom etba so damo na me patroba me fanto de bosta bafu polo asa bra what as udru ahinema kokobin 18 mu a obo bafu polo wey what the African print what as here ye ntuma na ye no Ghana hana eno a eno dey polo t-shirt kama pa a chasa wo sha be bia peso ukobia no your official wear asa ye casual be bia peso di kobia no ubetu di akọ bafu polo ye heavy anya sem ke talk continue pai so what yenka na so wo patade efe wo de kotiv no so na ha wo bo sampa bafu polo sanu efe wo se na taria ama oluku simple and expensive. What is here? Nenyamana fepanya some kitokra. We abrofuna starte a umokra ade free Ghana ade kwabrochen tutu wo ye dai obwose kwanosho ahinema kokoben santase kwanosho ubon bafu polo na me poto vals day ya ebay anya some kitokra or my special package bafu polo say package no or start the spray and after or start the chocolate start the can for Valentine Day anya some kitokra ni patro wo person nya special package edema workers wo busuam ana fei me patro na wo fo a no rom bafu polo na fei mo kokoti bu polo t-shirts no na mo sign abomoten enya chocolate sad piso kama bafu polo heavy for the number this is here na jinchemo na your orders this is here 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 ya homa obetuma fa bafu polo na fei no bafu polo for eso etbet nkobo kama ama bipiasom etba koe oba bosumia so hwese watie na ni no tare down ana agi oba sore na kwaje araba bazeni bi na bobo na no na me culture say wayase etwa bosumia so a no bi ahwe so akoda ne ka no ni nyina to betwa oba asia obetche sa hobe de what I say Arab Bazain and American for them say Arab Bazain jana so and you're very solid benya binuma what I dance here and eba bema so trum pastor wintime mwadjuma na Daniel na sesem obo the tukono o pieswa manso kwa no betwe obedi atini sa obo so the bet no ayire ne mu ono so drum paswa ne bema ne emwadjuma 1 minute pepe no da no o meto to say ajira wanyem bomote so sabetumaka Mr. Keo na wetuma no bema eye wodro no udrum paswa betuma bodjuma to say konkoma fweja pompalupa what there as to Mr. Keo eno kunlu for and this time no way as to deba wa me patro o Johnson Efrosa a bon ten a bonus when you be nyina no was tell ho me patro de to say o prostate no and what teachma promoter so sabetumaka hunchu capsules a ye kulu for the deba woman no ye papa what I say a bonny house mo China for helps in their no ding master to promoter say o meno maybe a ton no piano on some sabetumaka there na be bia so to so demo and e kulu for nin koma 0244 275429 0244275429 homa ubetuma fe kunu Ghana Limited na fe wonen perifo eswetimedin komama bipiasom etuma kweso damo betway tayati betway enone betway ana make am for dem say wo ya brante ya papa wa and the Manchester wo do ho what I say na betway nko and now the opportunity to set automatic cash out what I say bet na wacha no me patron go betuma set automatic cash out according to one cash out the open enti matches no o bet na ebem no obo sika na edaso no na ebegu account what I say one cash out go betuma sa aye one cash out personal cash out automatically flow one cash out betuma ye personal cash out enti match bia wudi bia no na wa redraw sika no na ho so tomato na betwe de o mo ye heavy papa nya seketokra it is open bet twa eno ane betwe more quality o mo ye heavy o mo jobo na so o mo betuma pa nya seketokra nti na pay e ba wutim say Manchester wo do ho na me adomo chena weekend day Manchester wo do ho u twade a eno ane betwe ha wo so wo fiora na pamon what ya say wo gane so wo jaw wo de me patron fa wo betway na juice kagu bottom betway.com.gh unya 18 years manko na betway for heavy wo mo bodjuma pa na some ketokra we regulated by Ghana Gaming Commission. What I say, and Betway for the Master Mother Momotayati, ya could for the Bonanista live on your Gotin Supermarket 93.1 on the Facebook now follow now share Sompa 93.1 for now follow now share now domestic today bar and of fame I'm from to the Soko YouTube Reswa a ya Sompa TV. What I said no subscribe now domestic today bar no pay you back in kind extra demo come I'm a be piasom at me area paint to a dorma yanko name from an answer number
فريق لاعب من 2006 يمشي مارسيلو رد باله خطا فاتح شامل حتى كريستيانو رونالدو جباله من كارفاخال خطيرة يا رونالدو يا كريستيانو يا كبير يا كريستيانو يا رونالدو هدف اسطوري هدف انطولوجي هدف للتاريخ يا كاتب التاريخ لا تغلق الصفحات يا كاتب التاريخ عنوان الورقات رونالدو اولا رونالدو ثانيا يا معقدهم العب يلا يا اسطوري يلا يا انطولوجي يلا يا معذبهم يلا يا جوليادور يلا.
Ahí está para recibir Sergi Roberto, Gerard Piqué, Sergio Busquets, Sergi Roberto, se va en velocidad, no puede Luka Modric, encara a Marcelo, no pueden con él, sigue con todo, se va poniendo mucha velocidad en el ataque, abre para André Gómez, le sale el paso Carvajal, va a llegar la ayuda, Jordi Alba, punto de penalti, ¡gol!
Increíble.
¡Gol de Leo Messi! ¡Gol de Leo Messi sobre la bocina! El tercero del Barcelona, el segundo de Leo Messi, el Madrid que se había dejado el alma, el Barça que ha hecho lo propio para dejarnos un recuerdo imborrable de un partido clásico increíble, que es un escaparate de la Liga para el planeta del fútbol. Ganó, vamos, se adelantó ahora el Barcelona, que enseña la camiseta al Bernabéu. Va a recibir la cartulina amarilla Leo Messi. marca.
شوف الكرة تلعب باتجاه نيستا الهجمة خطيرة هيا 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 يا حبيب الملايين يا حبيب الملايين ميسي ميسي ميسي
Yakuna fe Tabanani Stamina live on your Gote Supermarket 93.1 Sompa ana wasugu so wuteno ana no pay get den stamina aso de bro kama ama bi piaso etobakwe wadaro ma no pay suma panom anu den papa nya sem ketokra na ma me fanto de mo say na Manchester wuto bi betodwa enti e hwe no fie teba ye wadwuma ana no pay so teba we etoma tede so ama bi piaso etobakonkan na ene game baku toja was Spanish La Liga Santander ye bena Royal Vallecano bobokono wo betrofie wo bena Royal Valladolid bobokono ana de boni kama already did Jesus Gil Manzano and a rough for Benjamin Toyum to Mackensen our Estadio Campo de Football de Vicas and a game and also to draw. Young want to Mataba Mono pay. I'm a be Piason at Tobacco 8 p.m. and I start getting so theater. Kama pa our La Liga demo at that games and also Betomato Jase and our Dorman and also City who call Facebook Reswa and yes some 93.1 FM. Now follow now share now to message the Baron of Pebek and Kai and so Taba we had to better so German Bundesliga demo Yabena game Bakuba Theater a big game by Monchurbobo Kono our Alliance Football Arena Munchin game in theater women Veta Bremen Bobokono and a deep burning no patro 7:30 p.m. and I start game with Toja already day and some stocks on any referee or Benjamin Trade and Tobacco no already to the Vestant Gen Company employ to the Vestant Company when a line up a spreader say we bet to parity for the game no a very important game it was a bear awful in Fakus and Bobokono chase for what already to the Vestant Company no one thing already to the Manuel Pitanoya is expected in the post a brand here for the Sasha boy they expect so bet to start Dayo Shankulo Upamecano already to the Kim Minjai Rafael you stay Adelino Guerrero to the Rafael Guerrero after Alexander Pavlovich Mostate Joshua Watakimik already to the Kingsley Coleman Jr. Jamal Musela Bambi after set Gnabre David Nafe a brand here for the Hurricane Edwards way any players say expect say already to the Vicente Gen Company employ to the for the Vicente Company manager that the Emma Berman Chubokono Obetuma Parity not for the Piasso Trakwe at the Emma Berman Chuboko in Tadeka if you Berman Chuboko the football here as to the bar young Wajuma at the way to the so now mommy a brand here for the Kingsley Coleman Jr. no more for the picture into Facebook Resumame. Now start branch away wouldn't stop Bermuda and put a for just no matter the Bessie Namia Dominus says Westwa I was start branch for the Kingsley Coleman or much to the common call already to the start cannot bring David to the for the start in a brie Bermuda and put a better branch to the coin I'm an account of a young Goraska Subako not for me patron but a to my Bermuda to my creative space our Bermuda to Bobo Kodimo already tell Roy Aziz Sani and Periferian certain others say Wamuja Brante Monaco now according to report on a mistake part say Bermuda board no our door already thing and must have Balonia Sporting Director and about Bermuda Bobo Kodesa some players to be doing that they are to channel I was so biased to be called Name Patron one of the teams for body a Brante Fele Rostani and this time Master Wakachano I was so crowded was so to be test for crown instead of Bermuda in Perifor and no better than Vietnam now the pen is still cut so no to be a study contract and so to be Bermuda Bobokona what to buy that's what to Bermuda Bobokona if it's a yin to mean Joe Casa Wakachano was so and then Patron pay report to the second part of Bermuda in Perifor or more transfer market to the Shua or more people players or more to the past or more able to be double ready to the Western Company out as a bono quality to her experience no her national city better than our farm Nina Star Brontia the day as Hurricane Edwards said Bermuda in Perifor so we study the contract contract in the manner. Just on a catch on almost already to the Jamal Bostella Bambi. It is suspected to be the highest paid player. As for Bermont and Bobo Kodimotas here, and to move Jai players are one waiting on a wash row, no more keeping important players, no more the players Libya bar, or more follow no, I want from an Sika, one better no, I want from nothing, one more than balance of boost. I may be pierced to Bakoe, at about Bermont and Bobo Kono, now couldn't report another pay, Mesteka Patesta Brontia, the Philip Jimmy Gaitan Bino, Osaka, Edmund Borussia, Dortmund Bobo Kono, and as the Protestant Bermont and 34 at the Bronte went to the Baba. No baby Sakai, and so Taba Bermont to Bobo Kono, or anything, and so any Javi Simons Quintin say, or Sakai, and some Edma RB Lives to Bobo Kono, or you play a Bermont to put a form in the situation, Namia Tumness and Sidneswa, it is a Protestant Bermont to Bobo Kono, ever call for the signature of a Bronte the thing, and a Javi Simons was a Cadma Lives to Bobo Kono, and of a Bronte for the Ferrari to this, or second the Mali Facus and Bobo Kono, way, and the three attackers of Bermont and 34 are targeted to replace a Bronte for the Kingsley Coleman, already Taylor Ross Sunny, and of a Bronte for the set Ganabre David, or Mopotuma, and so Taba Bermont and Bobo couldn't take a car, if you Bermont and Bobo Kono, if you must say, national by life on your quarter super Becadal, 93.1 Sompa, and I was so good with Tenor, yet there's small to the pen, that the problem on a pay, I may be pierced to Baque, me Baba Ram, no more cockwe to make a car, I want Manchester City Bobo could say, and then Patroko Manchester City Bobo could say, Madonna, my mom, mommy already didn't you, and you say Pep controller, I seller, turn on for the Pep controller, manager Manchester City Bobo Kono, Papa Ejaguritem, and Yasam Tokra, already didn't take him a Cristana Tabujika, I had the color sporting director, at him, Mama City Bobo Kono, Namia Tumna Cecil, that's why, me Pat already didn't take him a Cristan Trosubio, and yet Juma a sporting director and former Manchester City Bobo Kono, or judgment in their tour, I'm already doing any who go Vienna, one of the current sporting director, the most sporting CP Bobo Kono, no about to a Jumana. Also, Taba Manchester City Bobo Kono, Nasa Prince, who Robert Man City Bobo Konima, and Penifada, you confused. Meaning, so already to the Kevin de Bruyne was that kind of Manchester City Bobo Kono. Man City and Penifon taking a definite decision on a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. Ninjanessa, Man City and Penifon, and you almost say, okay, a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. You're reading the contract to the man, and my Bronte and trust enough for one second, and from Manchester City. Yes, sir, what would you Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne? A be a player, necessary to cover the brother, no more sentiment, no commit to identify Bronte the thing, and then Jamal was still a bump beside Corona, not to replace already thing, that's when they cover the brother. Now, so Bronte the bear studied the contract, you know, at him, I'm a Bermont to Bobo Kono, and then Patrick couldn't report another pay, Meseka Patasa, already thing, and so any ticket by Cristana Tabujika, sporting director, and so the Manchester City Bobo Kono, Wakacha Man City in Petty Foster Bayer. And can a Bronte the Denny Cafe the Brunano and Periforma Motain, no more study the contract, and so and from the Kama, and maybe Piasun to me Quenafe, or more by 1 or 2 seasons, and from Man City Bobo Kono, no more tomato Bubuase, no more set to make a quality replacement, Tama Brontia, the Denny Cafe the Brunner. Now, so according to report another pay, Mesakam, the new sporting director already didn't hook of Vienna to the passer. It is time also, Mama Bronte for the Cafe the Brunner, the boot. No free Man City Bobo Kono, no cost a kind of a crown for the beer. One bet to my prepare life without a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. So the baby patron come and said that a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. Ever free Man City Bobo Kono still. Now hold it down. It is time also to solve our problem way. Now for Man City Bobo Kono move on without a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. What him stand a Bronte way? Watch £400,000 every Friday. £400,000 every Friday. A Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne budget. I know they say Oba standing a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne contract. No one can tell the say to a ketcha so I'm a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne after a ketcha so bede and now they say start the ABC. Oh, standing a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. Oh, standing the contract this road Tabana. I was say Opa Martina for what to the ketchum. Now no better reach £500,000. I said a Bronte for the Kevin de Bruyne. At me I started the contract today Tabaman City Bobo Kono. Now wait to my trust. Let me busa say so when we are penning Manchester Manchester City Bobokono. Near City take a decision on a Bronte for the Kevin De Bruyne. Me patro decision pen Obeteki already to the Kevin De Bruyne one torso. Instead came from Man City Bobokono. And I said this is the timer. Also to be job Bronte the coin. Nothing me patro a beautiful life without a Bronte for the Kevin De Bruyne. Me patro on Facebook so 93.1 from Sompa. Now follow, now share, now to message the Panafrican kind. And so we have to make so on for YouTube and also I have some party now subscribe come now to message now and so Panafe. Yeah, I want to man and so we have to make so now ready to the Huko Vienna. Me patro according to report I don't pay me say Capata say already to the ticket bag restore Tabu Jika on your sporting director the Man City Bobokono or handle over. Entamano and sacred the season also. So the bill runner, about first nothing in collaboration with already telling your same Pep controller I seller. Don't know for the Pep controller. We want to make on Buffalo at the Man City squad. No, so their first nothing. We want to make build the year. I'm a be persuaded to make the Man City Bobokono. Me Patromaya Bronte for the Kevin De Bruyne and Wachuma. Now Bronte back on your Freddy Kawaka. On your corner, it was no when you are some perform. Every John Quine when you hint to the some perform Pamino. I'm not coming patro certain players more. Or some Man City before taking decision over some players no nothing want me out with the way forward na me up to next season players burn on motoboba now for straight to be kai at them Manchester City Bobokono Abronte the thing and John Stones me patrol rest any wa Abronte the so womunja Abronte the man kwana ogodi to the Parental Silva Botavega di Carvalho on so take can our Manchester City Bobokono Abronte for the Manuel Bob from ya kanji afai urama Nathan Pentamanake, honestly, kind to Manchester City Bobokono. These are some of the players. The Patrobal City and Perifortune say, one big time in Pedamoboko, now for more reproduce squad no, at the ready to the Pep control and to ready thing, and who go Vienna, incoming sporting director, the Man City Bobokono, Papana where Jumaya and Yasam Katokra, and Team Anika Kami Patrona pay, if Manchester City Bobokono, if Australia to the bar, yeah, what you man, that's what Tabu here to better so live on your coating. Super Mercantile 93.2 Sompa and I was so good with channel and some out to be that's what and on a paying us some Ketokra. Yet there's some Pamo, may Manchester United Bobo Kudasuya, may Quack to make a car, our Manchester United Bobo Kudimo, and to runs, may young woman for Manchester United, or more pictures Niku TV Nation, Nafe, a man first one to be enjoy Sompa TV or Rescane Udi Kotana, was Sompa TV no. On Sabbath canal for wait to me, as wait to enjoy your more quality programs in Yasam Kitokra, on of a Sompa 93.1 from Facebook, and also on of a Sompa TV or YouTube, and also Oko Manchester United Bobo Kodaso, yeah. My main front to was the Manchester United Bobo Kono, since the Bobo already thing, and I say, Alexander Chapman Ferguson, and I say, or run a call retirement to a Jerry Tibet as manager. At the tour, our Manchester United Bobo Kodimo, Jaka Yaka, every woman in Biana. Every woman in Biana Ekan Nemu, our Manchester United Bobo Kudasoya, me patrol through Manchester United Bobo Kudasoya, since already to the Ferguson, a judgment in the tour as manager for Manchester United. Over Jedi says, Prince, Manchester United Bobo Kuno has spent 90.2 million euros and a gas tacky coaches. 90.2 million euros. And a Manchester United Bobo Kono, Edgar Saki coaches now converted the pounds more, a 75.2 million pounds. And a Manchester United Bobo Kono, Oma Yusu, Edgar Saki coaches, the coaches now, the Brennan Nasa, one body one conkai, and team the patron, among Kodafay, among Kuyajuman from a crowd. Now, according to report, I don't pay, Mr. Patterson, Oko Manchester United Bobo Konima, players are since already to the Ferguson. Kwaye wamako fumaba wamuye makumaku 65 wamuye makumaku 65 na 65 no acoste Manchester United Bobo Kono 1.6 billion pounds which is 2 billion euros and Manchester United Bobo Kono since 2013 already to the say Alexander Chapman Ferguson papa no kweno wamuje kofa players etuma pase wamese kan from Manchester United Bobo Kono na me patron runs pomotene yini bako na fatu TV na so where you already tell yourself to Santos Marino Mario Felix to do not for yourself Mourinho papa no under the 10 will be a manager ediba Manchester United bobo kono sika was spending the cover players aya 403.5 million pounds way etimisha Ghana and that's the talk 403.5 million pounds and Jose Mourinho spend the Ecofa players, the most expensive one among players are Jose Mourinho Bomatin to be spending, already didn't popular Billy, another 89.3 million pounds, which is 94 million euros at that time. And Manchester United, and go for Brante for the popular Billy, and to the buyer, and for Brante for Romelu, Menamba Lukaku, Boningoli Bolly, to for Romelu Lukaku, another 75 million pounds, and Manchester United, Bobo could Pomotay, and so to be spending ya, or medical for Brante Feno, Romelu Lukaku to the buyer, me patrimony already thing, and Alucius Maria Paulus Louis Van Ha, to for Louis Van Ha, on also Holland manager, what I say, on also buyer. Sika, one also spending the cover players now, or spending 267.6 million pounds, and the cover players at double players, one best can from Manchester United, Bobo Kono, already did Louis Vaha, player to the buyer, and down on the 10 1 not very expensive. I Brante for the Angelito, and Gal Fabian Di Maria, Hernandez, a Fido di Samparata, Todono Fede Di Maria, me patron was kind at the Emmanuel man to Bobo Kone that time, and already till we va, Ecofa Brante the buyer, and down on the 10 1 no, the most expensive signing. Or did the buyer best kind at the Manchester United Bobo Kono, Mobroniwa, already to the David William Moyes, Todono Fede David Moyes, net then a war already till we va. General, me patron spending 59.2 million pounds. Oh, Papa will remember, the minister, I'm an unfound top players. Already didn't one Manuel Money Mata Garcia, or no any player who was still about Chelsea, or did 31.70 at the buyer, and I said 31.70 million pounds at the buyer. I brought to the Bessiakai, and so Edinburgh Manchester United, Bobo Kono, me patron from me freeway, Nayan Quanim, Nayan Quajuma, already did a leg on a social general. Photo TV so Nature already did a leg when I saw a bra on a super boy. I did Manchester United Bobo Kono, me patron the tennis was spending 391.7 million pounds. 391.7 million pounds. And already did a leg when I saw a spending here at the cover players at double players. One Mr. Kain and from Manchester United Bobo Kono, the most expensive one. I have Brante for the Harry Maguire Jacobs, 80 million pounds. And instead of Brante the thing and it the Central Malik on also bar 73 million pounds. And a Manchester United Bobo Kono already doing and so the leg could associate you here and the cover players went to buy and so buy no 1G trophy beer. Louis Va at the FA Cup, Jose Mourinho at the FA Cup, SRG Europa League, and to young through already to the leg could associate young Eric Tanak, Papa when offer, and that's a good talk credit for Papa already doing and Eric Tanak, Papa the buyer, Manchester United put the phone we are no more potato, already no one for pound and Juma. What's up, bomb? Let them ayas after the Bobo could there. Or Baba sister, the fortunes of Manchester United. Number Parental, Nampering Fortuno, Napa Parental, Nampering Fortuno. Already ding and Eric Tanak, me patrol or 10 anymore. No, I spending 555.6 million pounds. At the Coco for players. I'm a FA Cup, Carabao Cup, and FA Cup bet. And the Dema Manchester United Bobo Kono and Tonoso Terno, the most expensive player already did Eric Tanak. What the Kofa Anastasika or spending Yanami Patrobo Dupa, what the Kofa player no, Naya Bronte for the Lenny Euro, Deno, me patron Yanukra, and ya Bronte the Dino Rasmus Hoylund, me patron 64 million pounds, and the Kofa Bronte and Sana, Lenny Euro, Eba, and on 52 million pounds, and you already doing any Eric Eric Tanak. Hey, Abrante for Anthony Dene, the most expensive for the Anthony. Anthony Dene costed Manchester United 82 million pounds, which is 90 million euros. And a Manchester United Bobo Kono, and the Kofa Abrante for the Anthony Dos Santos Modest, and the buyer already did the Calo Henrique, Joseph Francisco Venezio Casemiro, Torino Fene Casemiro, spending a year 51 million pounds. And a Manchester United Bobo Kono, and the buyer Abrante the Besakai, na bonus Bakanwa, and a riches 75 million pounds. I know I Abrante for the Casemiro was Sakai, and the Manchester United Bobo Kono, on a so dear bar, they went to another pay, and so Toba way to better so Eric Tanak 82 caps, or on the day, and the US Mourinho, and so 2 caps. I feel already till we var at the 1 cap. Now, the patrol getting in a boomer after some Manchester United Bobo Kono, I spent 1.6 billion pounds. I just offer players. Wami Makuma 65. You know, Manchester United since 2013 up to date, me patrol match 5 trophies per. The Metro Wom Europa League 5 trophies since 2013 up to date. Manchester United we is the must spend on for trophies. I would do Manchester United Bobo could stop about and so outside general and I went to another pay at Amma we had to better so live from Sompa 93.1 FM and I was so good with you know me Chelsea Bobo could say yeah me Kwaku to make a car I was Chelsea Bobo could Utru Chelsea Bobo could say yeah my man from to the same according to start about purchase by now passing Ketima and was a Premier League no one the lead here and Chelsea Bobo Kono Ninya Nesta Bronte for the Copama Jermaine I was still Kadima Chelsea Bobo Kono since December 4th a Bronte no I was a year Premier League Grimqua were creating 32 chances will Premier League Grimo into Kenya players and commitment converting already day any Copama Jermaine ni goals into the chances into goals Castaba me Casta Chelsea Bobo Kono Premier League no common LED. What I say, I can team bureau more goals. Chelsea Bobo Kono, according to starter parties, people around Abrante for the Copama or pitch this no, Omuntimin convert Abrante the chances into goals. What I say, according to a Chelsea in 4 parties, South Dena Eba, no more Cassa Chelsea ni attackers, Chelsea ni quality players out front no, and that just that Omo Madre Akoso, Omo Chama season up could a now say season could a according for the Estevan Williams Nebaba, Messi no, Obabeka, Abrante for the Copama ho, after Chelsea Bobo Kono, Omo per strikers Omo potent, no very, Womo to Baba, Namia Tumam Patobo target in here, Abrante for the Lustander Ishak, Osaka, Edmund Newcastle United Bobo Kono, Newcastle United and put the first time, Omo Bete 150 million pounds, Omo to Abrante Feno, Alexander Ishak in Tupa, no better the Newcastle United Bobo Kono, after Abrante for the Victor Joe Carres, me patro according to report I don't pay, me say Capatesa, a bit about cost Chelsea between 60 and 70 million pounds for the signature of the Swedish international. And I've already did Victor James Osimhen, Osiakain, Edman Napoli Bobo Kono, on also 62 million pounds. And to the reason Chelsea in Pedifo, Womanto any attacker, Nina Nesta, Omotai, I'm a season at Tobacco de Ria, Namia Tumnesta season, it could a Chelsea Bobo could be here to transfer market so at the player part, just the more do, or better about Chelsea Bobo could to bar. Now Baba Siakai, and so Chelsea Bobo Kono, and your reporter on a pay, Menseka, you want to better way to better so. Now credit for Matiza, Amogu, and was started training to Chelsea Bobo Kono, and yes, them to talk Amogu, a player, or Metana Bar, or be assistant to Abrante for the Moises, Isaac Coroso Casido, to the for the Moises Casido, and Tena, a credit sweat master to official training, and Chelsea Bobo Kono to test him, put the 4 parties, they are planning their squad. Namia that's the season this one. Sa Brante the picture that TV national Moguno, or Momana Costa Cadema Strasbourg. Now for Brante for Andros Santos, so but number, no one patron the Tennessee, or for Brante for the Andros Santos, so to Chelsea in 24 because that's Andros Santos, so better to the coin, no matter Cano, maybe Piet Tobacco, and some let the Chelsea Bobo couldn't do a car, and not pay a free Chelsea Bobo could have here, not so they bar, me patron Chelsea Bobo could have more plus in here, already to the young fellas, or return it, Messiakan former Chelsea Bobo Kuribio, Azor de Sassi, and returning Messiakan, and former Chelsea Bobo Kuribio, Renato Vega Palma, and returning Messiakan, and former Chelsea Bobo Kuribio, and 2-year player. That's what for Chelsea Bobo Kuribio deal. At the back of Biaka, Oba, Chelsea and Petty Former Town, I'm walking up for the Piastro Tobacco, and so Taba Chelsea Bobo Kuribio Kaka, and on a pay free Chelsea Bobo Kono, a few Moshe, National Bar, young one to Mataba, we had to the so, may call Basta Bobo Kodemo, may call Kuya to Makaka, and so Basta Bobo Kodaso here, live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Now follow, now share, now to message the Barono Pay, near Ken Castle, Taba, we had to the so, me Pato Basta Bobo Kono, now come at Tension, and our Brent for the Marcus Trafford so. Now, so Omosha, Marcus Trafford, new player, we are very disciplined enough. Obetuma ball and already did a hands data flick. Obekaisa Brente for the Marcus. The transfers ne no Bast and Pity for no money brepa. Now, so certain players be called Bast and Pity for so yeah. I could catch a Bast and Pity for say a Brente for the Marcus Trafford or one panel. What I sent to Bast and Pity phone for my attention and call other players. So, maybe Piasom and from a Bast and Bobo could report and no pay. Mistake up as a boss and pay for a deba como possible year, and it's in the mere Duma, Nessa Neswa, woman Robo Spotted Sleep, people Kodimo, woman the strike Baba, I'm a sound striker, and sweet to Bessia Kai, and the Amabasa Bobo Kuna strike a bay, I have bronted the thing, and a Victor Jokeras, or say Cadaba Spotted Sleep, people Kono, me patron bass and pay for ideally, one in a strike committee the passer, or better push you already thing, and a Robert Van Doskin, and can you make tobacco, and so to my pastor Bobo Konofe. On a sweat to Bestia can't tell Bassa. Now, Brahmi Patron Bass and put from Equian Chorus no spotted sleeping put from the Matcha between 70 and 80 million pounds. A basic car, a better matter Bronte for the Victor Jokeras. Bass and put from a task, almost say, so book 60 million pounds of Kada. One Mutide Pass with Patron spotted sleeping put for one but Jenafe. I Bronte the thing, and so the Victor Jokeras Saba. Now, what Bestia Kain, and so Taba Bass, the Bobo couldn't twin a car, and on a pay free pass, the Bobo could master here, as to the Bami Pato runs for Bronte for Rafinha. For the picture, team Venezuela for Yenjuma, Rafinha, a player in terms of your goals and assists or double digits. I'm a patron or one point this season. And so Taba Pass Abubukuno. Now, Apostle reported on Pebiseka Pates, and found it there. A Bronte for Rafinha, Juma Yenino still. Bass and Petty Fruit Projate, Lami Yamal, ahead of a Bronte for Rafinha, say, one a Balondono, or Mopas Waji, what I sent him, Rafinha Teno. And so pass and pay funny what I say and a card on a pay and also buy you went to my at him about pay me patro live for Pubo could I say ya live for Pumper for when we have show power and yes some good talker when him start Bronte for the Virgin Van Dyke I brought to the Babonte and what the two just on no crown so best I will live for Pubo Canas was steno on no crown with him into him in the future as well live for Pubo Kodimo and to live for Pubo Kono according to report on a Pemeseka Patas they are preparing life without a Bronte for the Mohamed Mahmoud Makreb Salakali, Virgil van Dijk, and of a Bronte for the Trent, Alexander not. We are Liverpool manager, ideally play a bang to replace these players. Or possible free Liverpool Bobo Kuda from Kosiakai, and some Emakra who fronted reported on a pay, Meseka, me patros, Nabobo Kono, once on the Panamera 2, and he say William Saliba, ask them petty for, or more was a real matron petty for say, or more Bronte for the William Saliba. Now Saliba saying that Omodibato so between 80 and 90 million pounds. Ebesika asked them pay for report. I don't know Pebeseka Padesa woman able for the signature for Bronte for the William Saliba and then a report. I don't know pay and also Barrio Matro for current squad 1.23 billion or more current squad value 1.3 billion 1.23 billion euros. And the current squad of Real Madrid Bobokono, one squad and he reported on a pencil Eba, Namia Duma Atletico Madrid Boboko, the Debo Pacho, switching Nakote. Telecel face broadband no and na me catch us me patcho Telecel omo broadband no would the be juma kwaji bi no 50% bonus new customers no more 50% bonus and after old customers more broadband no more 300% bonus and no your Telecel kwa and me patcho connect to energies ni kama and ma be biasom ekwe me patcho star 900 hash no miaso na after me patcho bi ekwe so tabana so be room I will tell us a retail outlet biana fe wakwa kwajo de ama bi piasom etaba kwe so tabao tell us connecting energies enti kakra efi so at the airport no Genti College jarna so wo bodjuma pa Genti College ya do say adjuma mo bono kuma wo kwanta ana ubawu Genti College so bo bodjuma Genti for me have you na some ketokra for me science for me business visual arts ana fe general arts for me agri science home economics omoye no wo master here one person wo bano esua ade oko SHS na wotimi sua de no wotimi twade ya eye Genti College won also de akwane ko adwuma mo bono no den to chama no chekapa me che no pay environment ye wo ultra modern facilities any hostel facilities ye de ma akwana fi wo sua de wotimi betem no wotimi sua de na final exams no results or de be brown eye very shocking what I say obama quality resource na fe wetuma motivate na for do bano also amana kosua de e wo sua pomo kama me patro kuma wo kwanta na be Genti College cha kwan e no muni nkomo 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 ya homa obetuma fe Genti College na for ni perifo e di nkomo Sir Prince what to say Bibi abako there I had the jasu I had time you what I say ye be too man now ko papa pani ekwe anim what I say e jana no odin apostle jana no odin apostle have to Prince officially apostle me ma Prince akwaba Prince yemo akwaba
officially the Sompa crew.
Officially Prince a part of Sompa crew what I say apostle where the one are penny with ya ti maminya ma na welcome Prince na
Prince on behalf of the sports team officially amao akwaba about the Sompa sports crew high quality high standard good ethics professionalism that's what we exhibit here. So once again, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, boss. My main for opportunity ways, and I mean say a little bit of gratification to some few people.
Okay.
And any kind of apostle and kasa one particular person. Medana Sibi.
Sporting director. Sporting director Sompa. We tiki be Christian and also okay or combine sporting director one agent one boom. Okay, next we Jorge Augustino Paulo Mendes. Okay, apostle. Still Woodrow.
Oh yes.
Very skillful.
There are some people who are outside here.
Now what's our community Steve Woodrow?
Oh yeah.
What number one also the dimina or pitch this no. On number one the dimina no. To say Steve Woodrow prepare or pitch this so ha.
Oh yeah. There are some people outside here.
Team no, why no. I think
that Mamimbo and Sehalbi.
Okay.
Mimo Sehalbi abaso Medana Sepa Sehalbi and then Kelvin also Mimon on so abaso Medana Spanky and Sofu Biggie more. There are a lot of people because me body you know
independent also.
Me I'm a big boss so says Candy.
Okay. Set Fourier Champo.
Yes.
Okay. A young queen.
I think that where the little appreciation here show. There are a lot of people behind the scenes, so I said them.
Oh, boss, I go to the home.
Oh, yes.
Someone. Chama bia chama young quay.
I'll pay you the way they are going fancy.
Okay. Straight, young gram.
Sure. I think there are some few touches beyond Pessamania. I mean, Chelsea, as I can say, you were talking about Chelsea statistically, say, if they were having some prolific attackers and other prolific players up front. Bianca by this time, so I'm on the league in the top. Mesha Kahun Kaka. But the last 2 days, the FA Cup and some games score. So I think say Enra Tottenham Hotspur up against Liverpool. Going into that game, in the first leg, I think say Tottenham Hotspur came out on top.
Okay.
Omutimi in the first leg. But going to Anfield, there are a lot of people we felt say Arsenal they lost the first game. People were thinking said they could do a comeback. But Emma 2 goals go Martinez. At the end of the day, now aggregate now by 4-0 in favor of Newcastle. But Tottenham against Liverpool, now the feeling was different because there are a lot of us. I need to feel say Tottenham a win in the first game, but in the second leg, it is going to be very difficult for them to even put a goal past Liverpool at their own home grounds. And we're too full to the west. And one they see going into the game, though Tottenham Hotspur no more some injury problems. You cannot play Jess Spence, Achigwe, Ben Davies more and expect to win against such a high flying attacking side in the shape of Liverpool. Yeah, and Beton said there are some players being so out to help. But I know me attribute. He said you cannot attribute it to injuries in Tottenham MS performing this particular season because every particular team be so injuries how much. Oh, now there may better mention that one in here. There are certain number of coaches we were having that belief. So coaches we money there. On bet me about BTQ over. They will be the new faces of the football coaching system. No, you talk of Mikel Arteta because when Niema or Befa Arsenal in the past years or the Omaya now better pone say Pep Guardiola more and even Pep Guardiola can age one side 58 or so or age one side, but there are some coaches or move free system no more. Say new ones you take Arteta to be a part of it. You talk of Papa friend Ange Postecoglou in the prospector or the PM in the English Premier League. No, so do one especially when it came to Tottenham Hotspur last season, the kind of exploiter or Shasi and warrior. You talk of Thiago Motta, Unai Emery, Graham Potter. You mention a lot of names. Oh, they have been some company Munina Beckham. But so where Arteta, any Ange Postecoglou, Diana, it seems like Omodiano is a bit different from all the other coaches now make come and because the same company Anye Biano, Bayern Munich, the expectations here all the man no. Though ultimately live up to it, but Oko League ni more. They are now leading. Okay. And in the Champions League, so they are having, a good air draw. Meet me, and do say, baby, no, Man City and now Real Madrid, but yet they are doing something good in the UEFA Champions League. Into ono bet me as Kakra. And besides, ono so can free Burnley straight away. And of course, such a big team. Into ono exemption, we talk of a bit to say, Graham Potter more, and then Thiago Motta from Bologna to Juventus. On subet me excuse you Kakra because of baby or move free or more ban. But you talk of Arteta and Ange Postecoglou, you cannot say the same for them. And now me Arteta who you might be in room. But with Ange Postecoglou, no injuries no. But medical the bankers had and say injuries no a two team BB. And you cannot stay on that one. And find a factor and farm say almost perform and I say ultimate perform because of that. Jensha Adibuasi. Okay. General 20 window a nobody can convincingly tell me say the particular place and anka Tottenham Hotspur book na eso mo fairly mo defense. But what did they do? Oman give you any attention to it because their mainstay centre backs Abrante Efreno Christian Romero and then Mickey van der Ven. Okay. They are all out. They brought in Radu Draguzina last year, but no team fight this season. No, team be share hoye Jumande momo. But on also call out for a long time. And Obeba. Yeah, it is this particular players are mainstay centre backs. That's what my prayer. Now, Sawo Destiny Dogi, your mainstay left back were prayer. Now, call right back. Only one player now bit me I rely upon, which is Pedro Porra. What do you do? I think that should be the biggest priority and case no. But what did they do? They brought in Abrante FM Matistel to bolster the attack. But over our league, so in the English Premier League, I think the only 3 teams per and actually more goals than Tottenham Hotspur. Okay. So it tells you said though injuries near how much, but up front no more share any problems because some more Abrante FM Dominic Solanke or the goals Kakrabe Mao Son Heung-min the net Kakrabe count Dejan Kulusevski Madison Obia the Kakrabe count you be carbon na koneni. Okay. But instead of bolstering their defense no Oman sha anya hu adwuma enti u ba be share Liverpool ne Premier League matches bu onuma definitely you will lose. And I think Angie Postecoglou now they shooting in the foot. So you cannot blame any other one. Now, Mamenya.
It was okay, 1 minute.
Okay, Mamenya Jumaka. Oh, okay. Now, Mamenya Chelsea.
Okay.
Also, yeah, Jumabi Chelsea. Honor now can be about. Say almost statistically, if they were to have players up front, or more dear pan, as a or more prolific and case or multimility at the league table. No. But me, I have a more different opinion to add these things. Made the image be my MCR meaning so meet him there to so the big chances created in the English Premier League. So meet him there to so man then can hear a market to everyone.
The
first three very good. And or the Atterson. So I shot on target per match. The first three, Chelsea that's in second. The first team Liverpool with 6.9. Chelsea is second with 6.0. And Sana Man City aba. You come to the second one, big chances created. They now walk on one say Kopama ye be bet. Players need to be putting the ball at the back of the net. No? Liverpool are big chances saying 100. Chelsea are 84. And then the 30 Arsenal 78. You come down, big chances missed. This is where the problem is. Liverpool
are 100. One Messi
58. You talk of Air Chelsea 84, one Messi 56, and Arsenal also one Messi Air 48. Big chances. And so within the top 3 of these things now, Chelsea should be. And the ideal thing, no. And about Chelsea, or more chances no missing the no, because even in the league, they are able to score. But the big problem here, no, the video be my MCR, but I think it's a minute. I'm much. I mentioned that the ideal centre back player, Papa friend Enzo Maresca, and also the ideal style of play. Nuntino, and me managing that kind of make us a resource and case we Chelsea, no. Nyami add much, and I think say video no share that to me boy say we need that so no. The main player in the build up is the central center defender because he has to recognize what is going on with how they are pressing and who is free, and he always build there from the back and on young player back from the back on a bell creating the game no, and Chelsea is lacking that. Nyami add much, I'll back it with the video I share that
on lucky boss on mega cash lucky boss. What I say, we Enzo Maresca no one say or dial the bed dialing or ball *426* no the say sabeshe ni no the hash na trust no miaso on choose no options if you are not just bit much go or next caba way 5 cedi per or 5 cedi per was a ghost na ba next get them what I say mega cash there the bio this go bottom Enzo Maresca hu so a mega cash to na obedi o pitch there so bibia be koye di amount abrantia to be and a da TV no so no and one say ball *426*6# no miaso choose options no 5 cedi per obet me wini as much as 5 billion old Ghana cities na gubotom na wakun count say chem for the birthday no we regulated by NLA what you say unya 18 years amen kon what you say yankwa na Stephen Odro chim no why no Mr. Komianto so my skillful
intelligence
who nim the tell me from skillful no young queen
latest my NCT for Nicola Kwaba. Celebrate more Kwaba. What about Tennessee?
Nana was see. Nana was see.
I think say area say Adibakwa Edin Pani say Mobile Sidan Watu Foundation. Now him say the foundation is it here. Now person okotoaso. One when you had the pillar back see baby any kwan so the pillar see. Na pillar no so kusi wono ma utri anye ya da chi bi eda when won se so to na uniform ho. Na ba tata. I have seen 2 different generations in the English Premier League in terms of coaches I assess omo. Me when he said the changes nearby na huge replacements nearby you know. It took a toll on that particular team. For example, when Sir Alex Ferguson left Manchester United, that was a huge news. Okoye, you know, the replacement in David Moyes. Now, we team with David Moyes, Fire, or Patrice Evra, or Nemanja Vidic, or Fabio Neo Rafael, or these guys are my both team now, my G League, because Manchester United were league champions. Let's not forget. No, we league champions. And Obefa team no. But Obefa team no when Timmy and handle and manage team now man and send me and carry results here. You bet me blame 2 main reasons. 1, maybe lack of experience at the top level coaching the team like Manchester United. 2, managing top players and Manchester United. Because managing top players is different from a system, no tactics. There are some teams that you don't need tactics to bring the best out of these key players.
Okay.
You need management to bring the best out of them. Coaches are munim sadi ni be panu you say Alex Ferguson and maybe Carlo Ancelotti. Say ombe manage players here, then they'll bring the best out of them. Then Ubenya Jose Mourinho's Chelsea team in 2004, 2005, 2006.
Okay.
Abro ja team no hokoye no. Any replacement or by Biana struggle to manage the likes of John Terry, Didier Drogba, Frank Lampard. Iti ubete John Terry, or no mutimi din komo se coach we onya de was e pekwan bi so ne pamono. Iti ombo abrone apamo. Na oko. Iti share these two scenarios are media amount. Ni yankwohwe Liverpool ne club. Any players are Ancelotti beto mo Liverpool. Salah a league winner. Salah a Champions League winner. There is Luis Diaz ono onyam for Munji League, because the last time at Liverpool League, ne Roberto Firmino, Sadio Mane, Mohamed Salah,
okay,
Jordan Henderson, Jorginho Van Adum, but there is still Virgil van Dijk, Kunate Mwababe count, but there is still Andrew Robertson and there's Alexander Trent Arnold.
Okay,
the Biamekasa asem we say, sa Liverpool 4 team we no menyo mono. Obetima bo Ancelotti abaso day in day out, but I think when it comes to attitude, Salah, Virgil van Dijk, Robertson, Alexander Trent Arnold, or much less say football talent in Kwanya dia bit more successful. Amawa earn the respect you want to earn from any manager, but your attitude will always count. Any other team biana, I'm telling you for a fact. Aka these guys amabubo mudi ni be sori agina tintintirinti. No maka say coach you won sem na wo kan kwa kasa bebrebe do. Because if Mohamed Salah decides not to play, Liverpool won't take. Or your top scorer, meboa.
Yeah.
Top assist, no meboa. If he decides not to give his all and play, Liverpool better goes in every.
Bedding.
Andrew Robertson, Alexander Trent Arnold. Asasiana Trent Arnold in team defender, which is true. Meaning, say every single person who we are Sibia will deficiency. Trent Arnold the NES will be defended. But when it comes to attack and the balance he adds to this Liverpool setup, konoso ye no hu tintintirinti. Man ko Liverpool, man wan say born me mo aka Liverpool way. Then there's Andrew Robertson. And they kwa won say nya bi mbosa oni chimi cast the echebo. Oya no plan no konje. Why yes solid mistakes be am cost Liverpool this season. I don't know if you realized it.
Yeah.
Offside, no play more on. Penalty, no akwakoye. But on fa bibian she ni mu. Then there's the leader, Virgil van Dijk. So look at the trend and how these players are stepping up Diama Ancelotti. But I think the greatest quality of Ancelotti is not about the tactics and the system. Meaning, say, Obo games are normally in the second half, you're superb. Come on, first or best is one of the best games I've seen a coach so Gina Bencha. What to me, I'm making sure send the team in the Sawa so I want to do about Sandy Biasha. When you good results, Liverpool against Fulham. 10 against 11 no more second half buying. That is one of the best games. I say Liverpool supporters can say Ancelotti trophy crown at the end of the season. That is the best game I've seen Ancelotti. So a general bench a coach team B because Fulham ball 11 against them, but Fulham no team control game no.
Wow.
Nice Liverpool bought 12 against 11. But the biggest quality I mean here how are getting these players not on board with him, with these key players. One manager or more attitude ni so well. And Omo anabe the key faces in whatever Liverpool wants to achieve. And then oba England no, or born the first final, or you're on top of the Premier League, or you're on top of the UEFA Champions League table. It is not by fluke. Why in tactics? Now Coach Ben Wakofana owning tactics that. But proper man management. He's pushing his way to a certain stage beer. Young classify him as a coach who is a tactical genius. But we'll classify him as a manager who can manage egos, who can manage tactics, and who can give you proper tactics.
Okay.
Maybe as lot didn't who seen no. You can say about Guardiola. I'll tell you point blank. I didn't know about Guardiola. So or a philosopher and I say be a tactical genius.
Okay.
Obetime creativity be the best. But you come man manager. Normally it goes with Ferguson, Carlo Ancelotti, more guys. But Ancelotti, I combine tactics, I combine system, I be a genius, and at the same time, you know, also manage to put himself at a stage. In the next future, we can call him a proper manager, not a top coach.
But that's it. Jeffrey, sorry, ever twasso diabaye. Apostle Bacha yen twasso.
Well, let's say quick one. I mean, Kasafa, a friend is saying, flow me without. I will need a lot of time to do other things.
Okay.
But time because you have an interview. So Obehun said, flow me without taught 2 new Rolls Royce, right? 2 new Rolls Royce and our tour. The birthday, 48th birthday, 24th of February. Now, the gentleman in question said, what near we are here near criticize BBR, but we is Kenya, maybe a normal amount. Now, this young man, he will never lack. So, or spending how you are, I hear people say all kinds of things, so very soon, and you know,
Okay.
he's the only, so before I continue, so this is a Rolls Royce, this is $1.2 million. So, so this is the interior of the Rolls Royce, yeah. Now, a gift on one casa to home. Say, on one, say, I want to feel good for myself. Say something, I say, I deal pay once in a while. Say, we will be up at Chinese restaurant and say, Mia. Now, I spending on yourself, now soul. That is what he does. And I was just, can no one does one. I don't think that you, when you sit in this car, I don't think that, age no be extra 30 years. Now, what he has done in his life, because of he's invested a lot of the money. He is the most lucrative boxer in terms of commercial gain in the history of boxing. Pay-per-view, his pay-per-view a subscription. Or no? So, we share just 4 of the bout. I'll mention how much he bid. Now, we share on any Oscar de la Hoya, but the biggest one, Mr. Oni Money Pacquiao, he made $400 million from revenue generated on pay-per-view.
$400 million.
Now, only Conor McGregor, $370 million. Then Floyd Mayweather versus Canelo Alvarez, 150, and then Oscar $136 million. Just to name a few. Now, he has attracted pay-per-view commercials because Onwakasa is a marketing tool. And he spent $200 million on vehicles.
Wow.
And he's 24 million and has subscribed pay-per-view during his career.
24 million
people. And he's made $1.6 billion out of that. So what you are watching is the Floyd Mayweather blue and black trunks, and then Canelo Saul Alvarez, or typical Mexican flag trunks. So he's invested so much. And so when he's spending, be careful not to judge over a real estate worth $500 million. And so the most important thing here is that Sebio Uye Juba, you must learn to invest and enjoy. Not enjoy more than. So what? At the return on investment. At the return on investment. And now oil will be up a cars.
Okay.
Cars.
It is kind of when you invest in a home for Sona.
Of course. Or the talkers. Yeah. So don't ever think this guy will go dry. His net worth over $400 million. So, I mean, kudos. We await how he will celebrate the birthday. Now, he has Bugatti. He has 15 cars now.
15 cars.
Ferrari, Bugatti.
Expensive cars.
No, 1.2 million. Yeah. Now, interior, no crowd. So,
Sembe Kurenia. Eradu ya se yomba hunyamobo biwa.
David, we nyama say favor. Sebi.
Eradu hunyamobo.
Sebi, nyami ne favor ni part to become rich. Any hard work, please. Hard work can come on with you truck. Eswa de man come nyeska. A little hard work by the favor. So be over ye no. A favor. That's what it is.
Okay.
Now, minim say more time the anka the role of Mami Foni Papa for, especially Mami for.
Okay.
And this thing is becoming a trend. And now Papa Foni and you careful. Oko Ronaldo any mami. Oko Messi any mami. Oko Osman Dembele ni mami. Mbappe ni mami. On trend no. Yeah. Now, Mumami 2009 what I led the championship. 2009 what I led championship. Also Usain Bolt 2008 Olympic Games. That was the entrance into stardom,
okay.
Where he made 9.69 100 meters as the record at that time. Now the biggest one, the 2011 year, Now 2011, you know, because he set the world record on the 100 meter of 9.58, and then 200 meters 19.19. I don't know why the video is not coming. Please, I am calling for the 209 Berlin. Now, this was the defining moment of Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, that was the defining. That race was the defining moment because that race was when he put the marker between unknown the rest. As we speak now, I don't think he'll be able to break that record. No. Nobody can do that. Now, so he went further. This was a race where he made light work of Tyson Gay and Asafo Powell. These were top class. Don't forget Tyson Gay has run 9.6900 meters as well. Top. Or we almost simple crowd. Then he set a 4x100 meter record. At that time, yes, 37.31. Steve Mullins, Michael Frater, Asaf Powell, no. But then came the 2012, where he also established himself in 100 meters, 9.63. Won against Blake. Blake was on fire. Johan Blake, Justin Gadley. And then a 4x100. 200, 3 Jamaicans. Johan Blake, Warren Weir. Then came the 4x100. The 4x100 team break US record, and they have now established a new record in 36.84, which is the current record now. America, DNA 37.40. Now, Nesta Carter, Michael Frater, Johan Blake, But beyond all that, won't find my mini papa picture on to Zumami.
Rance.
Okay, so the reason why he's successful, 90% mammy, 10% papa.
Ne mama ne papa ni.
Ne mami from primary school, when Desia Primary School to William Ty second cycle school. Competition be anyone mami go be there. Everyone the mother will be there. Ne papa a 5 tests at a time of discipline, so sorry anopa. E to de bia na ne papa no sebi okwedwuma na kwa no answering them na ne antika no adwane papa abema no akaza o man 4 lashes. That's ne papa our screen also. Discipline from the father, the mother. Or lose it 2 races be and now say obejai and ne mami encourage him and ne mami all the time. So ne mami at the shoulder he cries on all the time. When he decided to move out of Jamaica and go outside and go and train, especially in the US in the early stages, he went. The mother was there.
The beer.
Ne mami at the other chance said, "De beer kai say nyami wo wiase. E wiase ni pa bi antum yehwe nyami wo wiase." 2. De beer bompae. De beer bompae. You must fast every week, once a week. You must fast and pray. Those were the disciplines, and when himself from at the age of 12, but see 2017 or retire, every race the mother has been there. Everyone, Papa and they also playing through.
Okay,
but the mother has been there, and until that, every time the race is finished, the parents are there to hug him. And Orienswa, near more fame emotional, they discuss it and then they look at the way forward. That's the mother. Hey. That's the father. And to success story of Ubia agreed that there is some issues of values in Titiapa. Oko wa ne you ni mami na recommend your ba no man.
Wow.
Yeah. And they have
Usain Bolt.
Yeah. So that is the story behind his resources. Way more. Okay. So every parent should be who have interest. Ni papa ni na from primary school. And then maybe some more
Usain Bolt. Nyama go on behind the scenes, no.
Yeah. Secret no mami no papa, especially mami no. You see, from primary school to 2017 or retire, Mamino has been to every race. Every race.
Maybe I'll go training beer.
And then before yes. Every time she's there. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Apostle,
can you say the same of yourself as a parent? Any more mutino?
Yeah, but
question mark.
I've been here, but
see when he was just 10 years.
But that's a part. And Apostle now, young couples can we able to me. Mega cash your Mombasa.
Or by many
also a bag and a side corner, you may come no Sikan Kwan. Mega cash lucky boss. Ose,
I see a Chinese Gibian.
I also see me champion years mega cash. Hey, Apostle. Now, we said within 2 minutes, go walk out.
Street.
Opening patch, I want to say. bibia boko de nyankopo ase mega cash lucky boss this is the mama Ghana for botuma ye de pa nya se peto akra mama Ghana for botuma ye de obi o ha share for the first time ye ka mega cash lucky boss dia
ye ka say mega cash lucky box ade din kan no mechia etiefo ne ahwefo mechia Ghana fo enedey na said de bia omote enka wo Sompa TV ne Sompa radio so no mega cash mote enka say anache say eni gisem enkomopa ene de aba na say ye ka mega cash lucky box ya na tentene ni tietie nyina ne say eye sikasem na say sika we no ansa na obi abenya bidi egu ne botomu no just say wabo *426*6# *426*6# na wobo sa code ya say eye eda edin kan na wodi sa adwumadi ya de etie ne say ebebi sa mu mfie dudu a wanya mfie dudu a wanya na afei wobebo mfie dudu a wanya efiri say adwumadi we regulated by NLA enti e say eye obi a wodi mfie edun otwe nko a na betimi ede ne ho ahyemu na sa sika ya ye ka ho asemu yi
National Lottery Authority
sa pepepe ensa hyase enti e say wonya 18 years ede ko na ebisa wo mfie na oboye na peno prompt for beba ne say ye was 6 lucky boxes in front of mega cash lucky box and box in box 1 box 2 box 3 box 4 up to box 6
6 options
it is our boxes na e wo hono mo no de e obeye nyina ne say wo be choose wo lucky box na just say wo preferred number wo pe me no de bia me di dwuma die ya me choose box 1 if we say Bible say ye nyedua ti me de bia me pe 1
no what choose dia
me choose box 1 me 3
e no me ya e pe o
so hu say de city me say me yedua da
bia no me mia so
bia no box 1 and me choose na just say e no na me de fa so me di ma agree na wo choose box 1 na ye wo options no sika a obetimi de abo 5 cedis up to dodo a obetimi ntie 5 cedis 10 cedis 20 50 100,000 2,000 said you obesi abo bia na amount bia no na de woman say ni kaseme woman say wo choose wo preferred amount na wo bo size sika na wo di chemu a prompt e beba no e be deduct every wo mobile money wallet no say ye Telecel Tigo MTN di here ne say eye mobile money that's some na wo use network na wo use no enti prompt ne ba ye nya che na ye instant so what depend instant message ni beba and as well losing so instant message ni beba and so obi tie ya na just mega cash lucky box sikapuduo na sam na ye ka no e ho hyehye no sikapuduo sika bebre ni ade aba obetumi adi up to 500,000 Ghana cedis up to 500,000 Ghana cedis
Tetiskano 5
billion up to 500,000 Tetiskano
phone
so utwa no na de wo mu ni say the higher amount a wo betwa no eno ne kese a wo bedi enti emfa say so obi twa 100 cedis ya woni pakro no obetumi edi ebia 50,000 ena so obi nsu twa so ho say dey 70 cedis no enti wo twa kese no na che say wo di kese wo twa kese no na che say wo di kese wo twa kese na che say wo ye dey wo di kese enti ye be encourage obi a say obi a fa no phone ena wo TV ne so no wo bo *426*6# na che say
me ba cho to bo ase *426*6#
enti wo ba na wa send wo send pe na che say say your first time wo bo bia ye baby sa age say ye medin kan kan no enti with wo age no e wo say wo 18 years and above 18 years and above enti wunya bo age ne pe e de 6 lucky boxes no ebeba na je say wo preferred box no so wo per box 1 or box 2 box 3 say de me kan say me de me box box 1 e be say de bia me 3 me be say abusuan ni mu no de bia ne ka say akwasi ni ni no more maka de akiri so wo say de ade ni sitie no enti de bia no me choose 1 boxes no and wo TV ne so no enti your box 1 2 3 4 5 6 enti wo choose wo preferred box ni wi box bia mu no ye wo amount 5 cedis up to the obetimi abo 5 Ghana cedis 10 cedis 20 cedis 50 cedis 100 cedis 1000 cedis 2000 ti de wo ho odin betimi abo no na just what choose sa amount no na de tie nie wo choose a instantly wonya choose ye na prompt be ba phone no so prompt ni nya ba ye na ye beti sika na free wo mobile money wallet no say ye Telecel ye Tigo
all the network
a use mobile money no na just say bete enyate a so wadi a wo game results ne beba so wundi nso a wo game results ne beba na wo game results ne ba no wadi a payment receive no so ye instant
okay
yes brofo bi wo honom the chain brofo na friend I love you no
okay
and one payment receive
okay
so I say cash in receive
yes
cash in receive and as payment receive the moment I bet you couldn't cash in receive
no
say I love you, crowd here, and I love you, Lydia. Cash in receive instantly, mega cash.
I love you to be better, Ted.
So I said, I said, cash in receive is one I love you. So, and mega cash lucky box. You see, you made the idea bar. Yes, it's a capudu na, ya diabano. Obian fan who she may free say. So, what do Huchema and ask some get to Oben Jessica and ask how you fear the idea. Yenila Yenitria. A man, my boys, a better nasi, Yeni Adolfo. Ye nya pon ya ye free studios ya ye kohiehyia ya adofo e wo kwan ho sika ene ye de bedi dwuma ene Friday nyame bo akwasi ya da Sunday special ye bedi omutuo ye hia sika na de wo mu ni say mega cash lucky boss dwumadie no abre ni abre bia de biara ahomachi o awie o time bia no ba bia wugina bia de hia ni say
any time any day anywhere
phone no ba bia wugina bia de hia so watwe phone no na je se wabo *426* 6 hash be bia wo bia enti se wo da sore na se wo ho kani no apre wo se mirror ene de miniska we kwa wo te wani ase ai mete se mega cash for wo ka sika bi ho ase me wo sompa twen se see na just watch phone no abo *426*6 hash wo boy na je se wa follow prompt no se de ye ka no afei amount na kakra na aka wo botom no yesi fa gu so nenya moho se de be ya ben kwan no any hakrantie na mo pese mo bono mo betime decide sika no na mo de abo afi won se kwasi adade e beche adwo ade nkra no be go school wo da abo so te woni ana adon se fa otiro de ohia no se watwe phone no abo *426*6 na to say nkra no sika sem na aye sorted de free sika no e be ba be go phone so picking crying be man so de osore sika wo ho a wo sore a kokoti wo ye ya ama kwadwo munware ntentem na mo so no na mo nim so ma da ache ade ache sika wo sika wo hodo mo sa ade na je se o men nsem aba aha enti ye be hye obi enkran say one more *426*6 na on fa ne ho hye dwumadie na ye wo bibia mega cash lucky box ye de aba ye ni kasem na fe na ede ye point building system no
okay
say obi a otwa mega cash lucky box no wo twa na wunya niye no ye ma point wo twa na wo niye no obi a wa bo mega cash lucky box ye game yi bibia no be hu say when ni kra na wonya point na point no build for the future na de tie nie say wo 10 point 20 point 50 point 100 point ya as time goes on na wo bo no eno ni wo sika e be yidi ama
okay
enti obi wo no ma obo ba ko a na wa ani a na ba mabu ye encourage you say da bi koso ha ne bo every say wonnie no wo point ne so hye what one ma the point ne bi odi beduru ba bi no instantly what one ma be ho answer phone na credit crane payment receive cash in receive me say the chain the word I love you the word cash in receive no the chain I love you so I say this is the free say be ma betu bata eno ani sika no so na ne ye de aba no eno ani mega cash lucky boss dwumadie no obi anfa ne ho nhyemu na ne botum be ye de
me da sepa akwasi say wacheche mu pa na minshao we nti ba bia wonam bia time bia so de wosi pen bia na wo chatum *426*6 hash no miaso pe was options ni be yaba na we mia options how peso na we cha we 5 Ghana cedi pe and na ubetima winisika boom pudio pa 5 billion old Ghana cedis na down phone so abasa mini pe was say me ska dia madre say yo madre say me ska madre say what I say aha eti lucky boss ye da was boy ade mega cash lucky boss and no one says ye dey how far what I say sika no wunya kakra bi to phone so ade aka nyina ya adwen what I say wo call phone so wunya ska bebre ti mega cash lucky boss ba bia me kan for dem man say kone ku twa na di na wutwa ubedi udi so a instantly cash in receive boss a dem konkron no aye bema de be koso o mamu bia wonte okay ye na e wonyamra ye ba Cinco de Mario Hey, what you asem nam? What you saying? Summer a good sing when you want pano and yasem get to a or baby remu. Ado somo yego ye are near Tasnia for your doing come. This is full-time live on Sompa 93.1. Your buzz is here, your bar, your bet to us.
There's nothing worse than your thing, but nothing better than having it saved. Get safer. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same profit-worthy bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game of the bridge? There's nothing worse than having your bet get missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer. Win, even if your bet misses. Gentlemen Denta can you gonna be a say this is now more Soban and I also at say and I say animal news of if you fix one more and I say I will have for the permanent one more and also we see I don't make into you but not only for the PFM day and I say PFM crowd I feel the sign training services about your profession and your feel skilling and policy say India and normally association say we look aside it's my campaign and I be able Central Police Station and Chawa, and I would do and kind of swallow and atomic down, but no part being runabout on so I would do tap at the pipe one traffic light man, a pipe one, the ODM bank man with the same premises. And I continue also your magazine market of Quinaswa, and I say OTC AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abreko Junction, total free station, traffic lights man, and you share G runabout on the free total free station. I have Simon and Edu, the year free Edda Dwara of Edda Memeda. It's me, Freya Mama, 055 913 9582.
Yeah, see the time about Misha, it's such a minute fearful, and you're about the other thing. You this over now. Yeah, so because of me, the time about Misha, what else? We are seeing now a better Lenka. It's the same malaria, what the only time about Misha. I know you go, you know what you want to do. What the only time about Misha? Every and you know about what for you want up down for any up or down when you do you and some of the time about Misha, baby. Show some hospital and I said now I'm what we say who are achieving malaria in the answer. I know for time here TIME time about Misha. I feel malaria in the other diva even slap will be at all over the counter medicine sellers and no herbal shop to turn FDA aji a judgment cutway at all. I was like I'm a doctor now who's the one to say I was like 2 years after it's African Spider-Man African Spider-Man and Baba say one of them, but the company was African Jack. What Baba say one of them? No secret ground anything. Use herbal Mesha and any secrets. Now you tell me how to cut off from. I police me do what dance and say. Many names on so. Now so a booster immune system. I want to say between the come on. I'm all the when you saw a person who cross with Yale. I'm my latitude in your back. I get no for some. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing? I'm a cratching. But you're in this herbal mixture. I'm a pharmacy. I'm not a herbal shop. I've been for any colony if you're billion. NBA aggregate tattoo. If you want the future, join the race. Cause I will be the future. Join the race. It's the one for the culture. Join the race. It's the unity for Ghana. Join the race. Koya, we don't see me Juma, and now I see Juma. It's a soul so, over Kredilum, only 80 vets, and media. So I'm a one leg frasti sawo wo busia ene wo patemo asetenemu the star 718 star 50 hash na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Stop Day Ghana Grows Junadie Mastercard Foundation Miss Greenwood Workshop Foundation Limehouse you are blood for the day
Mamisha time HH about Mr. Naomi and your what dropa and your draw say and many pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwati ayare and train yare and san wakoto fire wadro no abibia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe twasono wonwa and the time HH Heba Mr. Ede begaso akwa woni mfise dinwemu animbi opifo ane oba wo makwalifo enso anum time HH Heba Mr. wubenya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop do man so pedido transfer 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Ejadro say FDA Ejadien Kratwe Atum Enipe baako pɛ ɛna pɛma ne hyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a ɔsanhwɛ obi mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no yɛ fia nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma nso style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara nti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam na atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques nti sɛ wo so yɛ adwuma bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma churches fan clubs, schools, unions, and your team. Yeah, you hear the government. And the money members, and the students, Friday wear, and the money workers. That's the polo. Hey, Ken, our good package. And on Tadini, as a word, silver package, as a wood doing, and a bronze, as a same would do. Or yet, delivery. I call Mama Fanaba. Yeah, that's the polo. Tadini, so you're circle bed. Yeah, now a Pamama, any moment now. That's the polo. And a commercial in the market. Fantastic. Telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and see you at Bafu Polo. Me say, so we say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you know one session.
With Yas Paste and Yas Wash. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas Wash and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas Paste on it. With its soap bristles, the Yas Wash gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you wash, feel the powerful formula of Yas Paste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas Paste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-day-long toothpaste, Total Care, Herbal, and Violet. Make Yas Paste and Yas Wash a part of your morning routine and start today with a confident smile. Yas Paste and Wash, caring brand for caring families.
Nipa baako pɛ ɛna pɛma ne hyɛ wo a obi ahyia wo a ɔsanhwɛ obi mu ɔnoa ne bafo polo no yɛ fia nkasa ɛna ɔde nimdeɛ no nso yɛ adwuma nso style ɛto hɔ a ɛda hɔ a na ɛhɔme bafo polo no no ɔde Africa print textiles ɛna pam na deɛ biara nti ɔpam Africa print polo shirts round neck shirts golf shirts v-neck shirts ɛne pii ɔpam na atufoɔ bɛtu kogu wɔn stores ɛne boutiques nti sɛ wo so yɛ adwuma bɛtu bi kɔtɔn na ɔnte so ma churches fan clubs, schools, unions, any team, yeah, you hear the one, and the money members, and the students, Nimra, also open Friday well, and the money workers, Buffy Polo, Ken, our good package, a silver package, and a bronze, or yet delivery, echo moment from a bed, yeah, Buffy Polo, Cardinal, so you're so good, yeah, now a Pamama, any moment now, Buffy Polo, and a Timasa Himaka for buildings, and Tassi of Wasakwana, so telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so you're at Buffy Polo. Me say, someone said Buffy Polo, dear, oh, and you're now in session.
There's nothing worse than remote pregnancy, but nothing better than having it saved. Get Saver.
Okay, you're also demo live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Cinco de Mario waha or the first time twaso and the Amayan 10 times so se panti uko Facebook reso Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow na face Sompa TV or YouTube no so now we subscribe to the Amayan now to message no abanti Cinco are you ready? Our dear first time no twaso Cinco etiu.
Oh, let us be I find it. Yes, indeed, yet in some ban some pin yabuan ofia, yet the Abramo Ewadjumade, so lawyer Obri Boahin, the same Pia 2 hours, Papa Ghana football, and the Jopa Bariana, and no maybe a CC said the Adano Sunday, see, un swat Indiana, ne condos or Beco Stadium, Krakow born now, in same Pia 2 hours, Adano the game and Swatamane Kumasha Santico Goebono, also at a point, no support to be any Santico goalkeeper friend said Kamara. Na jese ayen tokwa amana emwa de pose sa supporter na osiago pamadu nkeza police fo sa tem nkezu o machine dada yentie lawyer Obri Boahin
via OTC park no so na you must the kotoko goalkeeper HC na we nya no man nko because football we the charge in here you are supposed to say what na park no chi okay obo ma fa no say what the money? So, you know, sometimes I don't feel comfortable commenting on some of these things because everybody are born in a and yes, mind and your kotoko and your lead and your house will be a money. Nipa be a money. I'm a nipa be a. So obviously, you have to punish the person.
Sentianu yansema lawyer Obri Boahin to yanima no pay don some de mama no coach Bashe Hayford na ono so di Zambia tudwa o si at a point na chese obehia helmet a obechem visa na omu game ba ko ni bechem na atadebo akua supporters no kwa no mu faso intimidate ni huro ni ade wo mu toto mo ba ni ade gba park so no wo si wan she helmet a angaba adwen pa yentie coach Bashe Hayford.
Because this time everybody's at Obia mobile became with the helmet coin. Honestly, I was going to put on my helmet because the previous one on Yama went to bomb me. I'm sorry, Kopaka. Make a moment a ban me, just had fine me. I decided not to talk. And to me, call me the helmet. Honestly, I took a helmet, made the clear match commission, and maybe say, or very protecting myself. Because most year, maybe a grab Kopaka, you know. But if I had stayed there in the movie, oh, yes, and tell some day. You cook Bashe Hayford. When I protected myself, I was banned and fined without even listening to me.
Yes, and Tianu yansema coach Bashe Hayford on coach Adama Heart of Lions or the two anima no pay de some edemamo. Our Jumedes na sansa seminar na Eric Alagide on saying can no general manager Adama Swatema no the two jaze. Your clubs so musia kan we league ni no. Oko center bia na se venue bia o mu ni mo din nsem woni o anu ye nsema Eric Alagide de atudwa yentie no
na entende bre so no ti bia obi amanage bia obi ani trouble makers a o woni venue ho entende bre over na administrators ni bi krampo e se chiri no mo sem ko fokutupa I nipa so ba si oba amumu no we oba amunyi nimpi we oba amunye ne fi the yen na ya mfa no kredi anye duma na ya njai sa nnuama na afinku no kure wo me se violence no ebeto aso wo be ko no mo di nyamransem wo wu so no a wo di nsembunu awi abonkofo ayi nkofo apie ye mankofo wura park no wo be won se team ni betu kwan no onka ho
ene nsama Eric Alagide de tudwa no pa ye den samede man no ana Yusuf Chiefs no ye apanyimpa de ma Professional Footballers Association of Ghana na wadi nkomo se sa no ma course so da no ada wonsu atre no bi enti na manfo anya o madwen se on be invest in our league enti Yusuf Chiefs
Yeah, no, yeah, they're complaining. I mean, stakeholders are complaining. Because stakeholders are, I mean, media, club owners, players, everybody. So, the game, you know, ain't that attractive enough. It may attract sponsors and other investors into the game. So, anymore, when you know, if you see, invested there, you are now corporate body there, you are, or you see, sport. In the end, can we say, the BBC, now, they say, it's taking action there. Then quite true. Na yen should be the person the football no go do no.
Good anya league papa korati de bia no African the clubs ne be kono so nam se league ne nya papa nti wo mu kwa de bia wo be san ba ne nsama Yusuf Chiefs ade tu bia yentie no.
The clubs some qualify for continental games e pa no mo ko do. And no ne KPI out to measure the development of football. So say continental games your code no be dia na say na drinks the nim kakra whatever that means there potential a big fishes in continental football but never about you no be nkoye now share clubs no more come in now Mamelodi Sundowns Ali no me Zamalek no me they are investing hugely into the sport. Football a serious business so if you don't invest heavily into the game and if you don't set proper structures and policies, now system management, forget it. With the modern football corner, then these are the results I'll be achieved. You'll be a local champion and you won't go anywhere. Then we have to be competitive globally.
And some chips are to you now, trust on the two just who be here say I feel league in your back cancer now, yen to assume you say leg in some pain for betina, anka yen cancer leg na yen shabi be as for gra.
Media coming for a season no na abine FA and Campbell Bench Committee na yen steer the affairs of our football. In fact, the national team was assignment. Abine any FA and National Committee no committee no and interim management be and say football no. By that period, you know, and we strategize the statutes, regulations, policy, and to new na the football in front of
Ma Yusuf Alas and Chiefs are to any man of pay. They want some of them. Now, away from Yusuf Chiefs, I am found to just and guess and Asante Kodo campaign for supporters leadership. No, guess and the executive council of the Ghana Football Association here in and so more to tribunal the no go come a bit mabua. I'm a Ghana football netima fan and to my pefra. Now, I am found to just Asante Kodo Kofono almost supporters in paying for the Krataba Bonteze. And yet there's a summit in Ombe Corner. Almost say the anti omunkoni in Anase, Omu Pese, Efino, Ayan Tutua Kama, and she say Betima Boa, Ama Ghana good netima fan and to my pefra, Sena Bea, Obi Koshaboa, Yen Kokuni Stadium, Yen Kobuni Stadium, Yama or Bass in Uremni, Sano Money Nano, Sano Monosen Kese, Oma Yen Dada Quaranti, Omuji de Passes, Ombeko Summit in Na, this and pay for no, and Womashia. Ama just wo matima address sound money na ma say sound ma uko obi home na ne kobo ekoso ni na no etu etime twan sound ma je pene so no mbehia na na chairman K5 a chechem die ntia ade se na meet na omo ye no omo kotoko omo nkobi yentie no
ni de ewu ba na wo ka asem a wo hwa asem no ne fapi e na waka na wo ye tro no ye tro mo hu se enema enkoyi na ne fapi pa ne se e fe na fa gu amaye se ni pada se ni una aye leg una ahihye leg una aye leg hu bibia wa ahihye ami akobo na ye nipa ewu untimi ntu nan emfre supporters leadership nya ye nipa ewu untimi nko kotoko company for secretariat ema umema ye yakọ umehye ye din ye nimu asa so a charge ye players benada na de chi na de ta ba se ye mrakra ni me ye meeting ni nua no kra ye ba ko ebu onim ade bia so ebu onim no ye mo ndie that's why what things ye bu ye ho
It is so muya. Yes, you enforce some yashi. At some now, the buy no. Kagana football, and I will so perceive a shaman. I asked Papa, by the Kafa Boomay, the Boomaya, Yabba, Well Munya. Say, go, Mukra, some meeting with you, Mason was a Camoyano.
Chairman K5 de 2 yanema no pɛ de on sɛ mede ma no chi ne yebusa ne sɛ na saa kra tɔ mo de kɔda Ghana Football Association no wo mo nya no yie bi e de free afi ne wana yintie no
enra e de letter no ma wo no e no mo ne sɛ yemra na wo de yemhwɛ sai be ya Ghana football no enye ma be sesa wo so ka sɛ ya take a stand as nya de leba enti free all the bia na
Chini yebusa Chairman K5 zan ka de nti na mo nkokora no de mo nkotie de afi ne kora be ka kire wo mu eno so entie nkyere mu a opanyin de mai
Ninia on say e fa pray say that ye ne edi pa wu e na ama ma frɛ ye me se be 4 years me complain sa de we kire wo do safo e mo do safo ka chen so o mo ko executive meeting obeka 4 years ago ma frɛ da na some impressed as Adam Pariba ye na o de ne nsa be fefa ye tiri ho a o kasa kire ye no obi abunto ne ye mo be ba be kasa akire ye ne nyina ne mo kufie ho ne ne ya ko hunu ama me no ne bo atwo ne ye no mo efi no mo de mo ti ho tam so obi anka masemti masa football no omo fo football ya bre omo
sama Chairman K5 de 2 yanema de on sama de ma modwumadi no so na kodoko so omo on committee no ana large group sa yebusa ne sɛ o wate sɛ kodoko meet na na eba so abro omo ne GF executive council na ehia sɛ na be ya omo di no omo be gu akwa Ghana football afura adum akwa adum no so omo nko wate na wote a dia na oka dia fa ho
wa nko na ko de ki bi si wa ade no obi na ade we aba nso otimi adwimmo more than the na me na ade no anka me nti wo mu kwa eye wo ya menju wo mu akoma mu na wo mu ko na wo mu ko ka wo mu adwi because wo mu kwa the season no one samba bio wo mu ankwa one samba bio as I say wo mu ko na fa yi ntuyi excuse me to say akwala yi wo entimin ma enjoy Ghana football bo ana kotoko umbegu team entimi yeye sa
when samala Karim Gusari 2 yanema no pɛ de on sam de ma modwumadi no so yakɔ boxing na no pɛ yani Joseph Kinko Agbako adi nkomo pɛ de afa Ghana boxing ho na ɔpanyin sam a ɔka ne sɛ ɛho behia sɛ yebenya gym centers bebree no betima boa Ghana boxing ni yepa yentie Joseph Kinko Agbako
gyms there ember from because there omo ho no mo na ebisu ebisu abeka ember from but of course ehia gyms bebree not gyms in Accra but gyms all over the country.
Benin sama Joseph Kinko Agbako di tuju anope ye de won sama de mamana ye be gina so na fisi me boa ne de sia na latest intelligence wasom na na be dwafo ato aso.
Me da say we Cinco de Mario ana ya tenen kano Sir Prince yeni nkomo ina efisama Cinco de Ego no yeni hu nkomo kotoko supporters no modwa pa say the action and after the reaction of the Ghana Football Association towards the death of Paulino, somewhat disrespect to Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, I think that later, on the issue we buy, Obia being anwa, the problem they are having here about the GFA president. Obia being anwa, they are kind of first, bashing the GFA president. This issue by, and we've not heard anything, Diana, on one Kasemu. What can they affirm one answer and more to the affirm? Though we've seen the ESCO member, Yanka Sebra Penny, Etimi call Honum Echo Boy to console the family and to do some official things there. But I never had yet anything from the GFA president. Not the me Museni. Ever since Kate, the president of Ghana Football Association, meaning say, you never kaya, also the pillars of my rain be betuja meaning kaya pillars of my offering rather or the ebetuja and I'm having one of them here. Me pese yanka kaya hukakra na for me the kind of air feeling that some people are having about this GFA president, you try to say about justify some things there. I am one particular person personally on the personal level I like it very very much but when it comes to managing Ghana football now, frankly speaking, on the average, if I'm to judge him, bear 10%, I didn't say be a bear 3 and a quabe disorder the Bema air kit so quick. And some amount for the kind of air, can say iterations, amount for the fan who all these things. It seems like or more facts are air back, and my main for we into Ghanaian idea. Pillars of my offering or the some 16 notes be to jaw honum. Meaning the American a woman now out here, no, maybe I'm
okay.
The number one, or say autonomy to ensure full attention for the management of the Premier League.
0.
So for 6 years.
So
now,
the second term,
yeah, for 6 years now. And we are yet to see these things from the GFA president. I think if someone says we're failing on data, I spot on. The second one, or say good sponsorship for the Premier League.
0.
So you need to answer me. Very good. The third one, good media rights indication. We, I think that we opposed the Nebia a bit me. I won't say there are some things we want me, for instance, I would say I'm not privy to some things, but Apostle right now, no, on there are some things information be a bit me. Menya Uncle Bi Uncle Bema a view on that. The good media rights indication. Yeah, word today, me, for instance, I've not seen anything. Because there was some money dedication be. There was some money dedicated to the media. But when the sponsorship was it Bet Power, right? And what's him could see saying. Now let's move on near the third one. I'm a kind. The fourth one near improve the quality of fan experience. Do we see this?
0.
Nancy pull issue. Nyanko Pomfan and Cressy. And yet to pick an example, the Maya. And I came across one picture B in 2013. I'm guessing me the my MC and commentator so. Become Chelsea Kotoko. And a lot of incidences. I may try to say meet me a push and say I don't come with the so I fun experience no 0. It is not existent. Yanko the fifth one. Create family friendly stadia. No hooliganism.
Oh.
So we need quite game. The sixth one, enhance the corporate image and brand of the Ghana Premier League.
Lip service, lips.
I know. You anything there. Even Kwano, by this time, and can say the Ghana Premier League, how I basically are promoting, I am more than say a media person, I radio, so I never become one. Do you see any effort? I am massive from there. Jeffrey. And Torah say, we no more Yausha, and as we just bit media say, wait or more say football, a bit me a 2 point, I say,
they are not accountable to you, are they?
But we are the people, almost several, and I'm a boy.
Almost they are
not there to serve themselves. If I'm right, they are the we are the people almost several. And if all these things, no, Ubi or no can, if someone is sitting somewhere, no, Felicia or failure. Opinion, I think it is right because Keto Kweku some time ago I heard say I don't know if say Oma abolishes that in a day. I don't know that third term run. May shed.
I don't like good on record. Say, Ono as an FA president has never said he wanted third term.
Okay.
Now, the politics of this game, listen. On Crawford be betua.
Out to system,
no more share the reaction. No more testing. On one can say on record. On cars of better, but
Apostle, I don't think say right now no or they better stay waters. I don't think say there will be any further need. So me course so I could to Sanamon. If that was in quote the kind of idea no more try some here. I don't think say there's need for that. Now the next one.
Drama that
it wouldn't happen. Very good.
It's a dream.
Short said.
Now dream.
Yeah, the next one also engage the police administration for the creation of special sports policing unit. Anyone? Mami fancy 10th one.
I'm a payas of
I'm fancy the 10th one.
A small Kenyan. Much ado about nothing.
1 to 16. Frankly speaking, there's none of them. I'll bet me Akase. The FA president, the tenure of residency, what me I am. You see how it is. So for me, I think that there are a lot of question marks on the GFA president and the where the administration or more manage the Ghana Premier League. And up to now, CNT anything official from the part of them, no. Okay. It's very, very bad. Okay. The Ghana Police Service or move to animal, and I think that almost statement or the buy, and we've all had a look at it, and very, very good. Mm-hmm. But then from the upper body, no, you share them anything official from them are very, very bad. Okay, but that's Sir Prince Niatin Kano. Time about Mr. Any drama come for the amount of malaria, no. On say everyone is Susana, Okasma Winye, into Pomodesa on Sabitumaka time about Mr. Not one numbina. Malaria ni nyina be free ni pagye ni wonim beda opa ma wo kasba obeye what I say and after time heba Mr. no wodwaso eye memedro ni medro oba wonum bia esiesie wo kama what I say himfio hobe chesa bibia be koyi edia be boost immune system no ya de bia be free ni pagye ni mu what I say ma onho ye denden wetuma ko dwuma so abafie kama enti na me catch so member bi to no bia no on sabeka time heba Mr. and after time heba Mr. Nibi na watimi anonumbi open do to 0244 417669 0244 417669 ahoma obetuma free time heba Mr. Mpenifo uno modi nkomo St. Andrews SHS me pacho pesa oba ekyere SHS nsore no o twani ya St. Andrews ahona wodeneko udru asimfo so a rich from abroad sani mu obehu ye chiakwan mankasim obehu ye chiakwan afei obehu ye chiakwan enso ewo dunko no fen sawi asanyo so na afei new edubiase ye general arts na afei ye visual arts na ye business ye home economics na afei ye agricultural science what as for obane brand no mesua de ewo St. Andrews SHS a free SHS 1 2 and 3 admission gusua ekoso bra fa obane bra no mesua de ho no onkyere ne woncha ye wo ultra modern hostel and boarding facilities at the Makrana akrana nkasa betana so osua de obeka sampa wo de ma baby pa obema quality resource 0244 0244696911 0244696911 Yahoma ubetuma face St. Andrews Nafe wonomo eso etmedi nkomo obo herbal and medical research center mena make to say wadaruma obo de heavy power obo ntuma pa ya de bia dokru ni padue ni bia obo se megyina ho kinken what you say enso abrobo what you say ono ana chase na dro no ofa no de ka pe ya de bia bedwane e de free padue ni mu se wakoma tawbo peri afi wo kon ene wabeti eya wo ya ana fe pressure ene house stroke e dokro ana fe wa wuntimi ngo bema wo ye kra wo ba uyo bonyini wo kidney ho atochima obo herbal and medical research center ho ena wo kona me catch say na dro de eye tatashe what as odo a ena de prekese powder na bedwa so enti unya bia no nom oba wo fe fro na umoja article from afi wo ho na wonsa ene wona agene ni nyina no me patcho prekese powder na be boawo ana afi wa umoja ntimi ndie fusane ye ana immune system no so wo form ana for start ordin herbal bitters no so abedwa so wa wo sisi ya udru mpaso a untimi mu adwuma what ase oba udru mpaso untimi mu adwuma ahemfi onye be ma udru mpaso untimi mu adwuma ordin herbal bitters no ene edra make for dem me patcho kumasi ade adoa to adomanu ana obo obo na for akwaji wa yaresa udru nkransa yo adesiman odra kwane so ana udru akra yo kaso official town ana afei bia obo obo bia no no bomode se uru no akwaji wa yaresa ni no no di atiate se wo mamu ha bomode so betuma fro obo na no obo di nkomo na wa homa we so 0249761508 0249761508 ahoma obetuma frɛ obo Messiah Steven Odro mientio edi we de obi send message say pa Chim no why no very skillful pa Messiah yentio
Mrs. Teresa
Osebefi
yes or House of Jacob Nikunu the elder Hene Wasti proper Kumasa Sante Koroko fan
okay
pa the wife no happy birthday nyamisha no nya nekese Osha release now about maintaining the position of the NCC police situation no one. A BA Subai Bisu did the over a long period of time. Now Subaya a BA Suche near say NCC no overlooking a certain level of incidents via AC for some time without complaining.
Okay.
And putting themselves in certain positions is so to me any resource positively. And they free the kind of troubles or facing whenever they go to games. Your crew must say na e babono. Babayara, Accra Sports Stadium, the Legon Stadium, Summer Boy. Per places I've been to, Akohebo Ame say troubles in time, hard drain, they control things and make sure.
Yeah.
Summer Boy, Accra Sports Stadium, Babayara Sports Stadium, Legon Sports Stadium. I can only speak a few. Then Nancy a vision about Bekan Wakaka. Oko vision for whom I think Accra. It's not too bad, but Oko Noma quite cool, quite calm. Okay.
Yeah.
But this is a leadership of Kotoko. Omako games, Ako games, and who said their problems in the city. Who take K5 in some K5 person say Omaka won some, but BBS intimate my. What can one say no? A dear and a mona what to me too before police death. I'm gonna look urgent and push the effort to do something about it. Sure, it maybe no kotoko supporters in peniophobia no more put themselves in certain positions and they became politically aligned to a more pray for FA presidency. There is no problem with that. But the moment Oman is so much clear and open, it means he say. Whenever things are going wrong, Krumpa won't mean carry. Network. Many of my dream with the position of Matekis say until they see drastic changes, they are not going for the meeting. Okay. Because you Chrome was in Yenim Dancy or billboard, so by Yenim Dancy reality. Uchamo baby, and I draw the face in the two signboard, so come on. A Danny Bay said, Danny Bay, Baba Kona Foundation crying toy. Near Dias as so near to one day or so.
Ghost building.
Action speaks louder than words. And I didn't position no more taking a many of my dream because Omonka said your mom come the day na issue this year. National security by Krumau. Issue this year na the chin. National security ebe share supporters in penny for men share. Maintain a minimum said that day na ama IMC a troll letter the come a year up him so. Say IMC ne consider say omo pesa omo twa omo free league nim and omo let because they can't take decision on their own. It's more importantly no, it is Kotoko who has been doing things on their own for some time now. But Nipona Semna Tono no, part of Momo Federation no. And there is a police force so a follow case no pushy. So the criminal aspect of the game no. Omo ye in charge of it no ayiro omo bo omo modern ya ho adwuma.
Yeah.
But omo ade ne ya omo de na product ne omo de na omo so part na wo so omo de ho adwuma no. Omo so twetwe omo na asen kakra si ya na omo twesi ya na omo twesi ya. Because you see they cannot do some of these things due to where they position themselves politically when it comes to football politics. Menomu ye bi ba mo nya bi manen kosoro nchen se de ehu no. I'm not saying it's a muntu anamo. Anamo de to be because you some mama representatives for more executive council so. Abba. But where is the president? Where is the vice president? This is a game where struggle to even get TV broadcasting right. Proper sika for ourselves. And then you now confirm money na hooliganism tina mama for born no man from person betwa no enye sika no. Enye the quality no. Because start times intimacy san nyoma. Enfan kwa koduru bi adoma na bechem na ekofo bi awa kogina ho
enye bechem no mudi ka besi ko
omu de ka besi o yesi da bi yama munyi match no sa suban we nyina aka wo bi. Then you look at the corporate entity see the Indian to league in so at the end of the day so and so Premier League yeah the second akwo bi na nam headlines so the FA should find a way to protect their image and they are losing it, and this is not even helping their case. Kotoko supporters no stay on your grounds. Memo bi am pamotwo. Meaning say course beba. I know say course will start coming in. Oh munya botre. Ma mu wo Kotoko supporters nso amoso ma mu ni pabone for anoma kokone ne. mu wo ma mo ya mo se mo de ma no kobo ha na mo de ma no abekire ha mo de ma no kobo ha na mo de ma wo be fe kire akodi ska no pole mo ja gu nsa so o make sure say you coordinate in unity because minimum omuntem betimi atisisi e NCC na kasa no mo no mo ko mo ntokwa. Let them respect the stakeholders of the game. They be omo kojina bontiana game no enya modia ana game ye ekuo ene ekuo. Let them respect it now. I am the so money house of folk kabom.
Okay.
House of folk, I'm begging you, mo supporters in the chapters. Se mo tie me a.
Okay.
Mo fe koto company for join them.
Okay.
Se mo me enu man kan bom na mo asesa. Today it might be Kotoko. Tomorrow it might be you has.
Yo, me that's yes. Messiah, and I have ten canon. Way for your internet solutions, where Wi-Fi solution are telecell at the amount. Promote someone submit to my be a friend of 4G Wi-Fi device. Womu dia ba na a quality. What I say a best supplier internet quality power. Ube to my connected the amount laptop na for phones. Bia na utwa a 500 Ghana cedis. Near some 10 gigabyte free data. Na what to make you way a telecell and amount this opportunity na be to my quinty. Oko telecell retail outlet biana kwa on sabit to account here come apart 21st clinic etayechi sciatica expert what as here o to a secretary a sciatica expert what oko no wetima hel kama yare bia so edukru biano urem ewo 21st clinic here lab and scan services and after say massage and machine treatment what as here nti so o person wunya yaresa na wunya quality health dia o ko 21st clinic na fe wakwa kwaji yaresa udru kumase a ehia overseas junction alpha radio ye beno na fe obuase court junction Accra Dome market sunyane nkranza techiman obo ye cha kwan 0548 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 Apostle Mpacho yentio.
Well, every boy ekasabo supporter na o invade pitch ni so ni goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara ekuntoko.
Yeah.
But ade security on say security ni baby and yes nipa any say be uniform o how proactively or more active executive security plan depending on NBC. So Saturday, no, I'll count it that the police, the security was not in existence. You never got it as here. Say be any nipa ni asesa say ye buy ni ye kan ya no tu ni bi ma cooperative sa say enye djuma be ba. Ba say be djuma.
Yeah.
Ba ye djuma.
Yeah, djuma.
So that is the difference. And dangerous because you see for said development, the next time when support the beer a footballer no cry be a coaching girlfriend and BB before the match we mean number. We are situation where police for you so they don't inspect say bottom say BB woman someone go for the we bow.
Aye.
We normally ba park normally free. Helicopter na be drop you we no park na so.
That be e shomboto no mudi ure.
Why na search you mo. Obi the sikan ko sikan no nya won. Ana amuton na mo park na so. Eba abatwa so nso atre park so. So about one you. Yeah, because security no anyo mojume ye. So that is why ni pano onyako kudo di sikan eco park and okodiu. So I'm saying that on that day security it doesn't exist. It was not existent.
Yeah.
You know what they say?
Yeah.
Come on, mojume ye. Now it links to you see if chiefs are 7 okay. I do responses a lot every time, every year because of my event. Okay? Mobile who tie sponsor ni omo kan for a league na omo see a league no 1 chrono league na ebo 2 omo ni GDO says can come the bar e betimi dey bi papa 3 omo this can grab a sheba omo nyam faso. That's how bad it is. So don't be surprised when you are not getting sponsorship.
Na say new product ayeto oton ayeto.
Yes.
Enya attractive
product sponsors no can. Because in some omutini ni omuhunu omu di adie sebe omusika behye ma sika na omudi ba no 1 eso omu sika no jumedi enti omu sika no ba no ekoso kama. Secondly Omumpe sebio product a hun sembebre or china kunipa ya tutu ha referee ayewi sebi the safety and security of patrons in this case supporters omo kopak and safe and you guaranteed so be ko abaji se nyame unye sure so ko besa baby aya na sponsors person mo de omo be for bizarre or china referee ayewi wayewi yakumwe no. The major reason why clubs don't bleed financially is because of any sponsorship for our league. Theorize in the income because I know if you want to really develop your product and Sebi we media freema and they are growing over there. So the reality is that there are bigger issues than we think.
Okay.
Sponsor the bad thing. This is why you be now 6 months there, why you now. And I be as a clinician, I be a film say benya a sponsor, because say me, my G had to me say league, no me na me sponsor the headline a bad thing. That's why I make it was a rock of Adam. If we really want to make sure say your share say your game no, yeah the Sebi, we are bringing life into it by investing a lot into it. There should be a state institution that will do that, and then government. So your demands, and the music cannot be shemudia. A kwame person fasuni. Sikano zonye say demand so ko read every. Sikano ye demand. Just like GMPC and Black Star deal. GMPC and Black Star deal. Fortunately, I was a member of that committee chair by Dr. Keke Sapon.
Okay.
Yeah. GMPC, our representative, also. And to be could be no Sikano say ye tekuni bibia ni edi enyina omo questions. If we don't get to that level, set the real corporate sponsorship on the corporate road about the money. For near Chief Sakai say clubs, Eco Africa and it will take us 30 years or more. I don't even think we can win the Champions League.
Oh,
and go for me. I've said this several times. Keep repeating it.
Maybe be a maybe with me.
Please. In Crawford Invest, and maybe we usually say, save a little and not paying college school fees. Uko, I want to go to Nyaminyum. No, I'm saying that your wife requesting for Sikaso Koyeni tea. Continue. Uko catching a setting. Or my nyambo to the baby.
Nyambo to be a bear come.
Your baby nyambo to the point is that baby game no investment echo Mrikaituno. Today Ghana cannot compare itself to Tanzania. So that's the level it has gotten to. Tanzania, we can't compare ourselves to Tanzanian clubs. Yanga, Simba. You haven't got there. I don't know who can say na Yanga. Some they were in a group stage. Last year, we got quarter for a review.
Yeah.
This year in a group stage. Simba, Combination Cup, draw ever be Omoka. O clubs won't even. Who's a man found consumer? Me do about smoothness level Tanzania. All level in Tanzania blue level so you can't remember as a more CAF champion competition. Untimin keep
you count.
Untimin keep because you remember why what do you say?
Yeah.
So please, it's a serious matter. We are treating lip service the way the diagro that in Ghana a club, yeah. The African club competition started in 64. In 67, Kotoko in the first final.
67?
Yeah. Where, in fact, if you talk about the pioneers of the CAF champions, then CAF club, Orange Douala, Stade Abidjan, Stade Mali, Asante Kotoko. And then,
the pioneers.
And then Englebert. Now to Kusama Zembe.
Okay.
Yeah. Kotoko won the first African Cup 1970. That was their second final. In fact, on 67, Kotoko went to the final, lost to entered, and then 69, Kotoko was in the semi-final against Ismaili.
Yeah.
1970, Kotoko in the finals. So from that time, Kotoko have gone 2 finals and then 1 semi-final. Kotoko won. 71, Kotoko is in the final. 73, Kotoko is in the final. As at 1982, Kotoko went to the final and lost Wally 83. If Ali won their first cup in 1982, Kotoko won their first cup in 1970.
Maybe I do no.
Maybe I TC. And then Tanzania, we can't even compete with Tanzanian clubs.
Okay, me that say.
It's a sad story.
Apostle me that say pa. Apostle ni atene canon pacha best saver. What I say, and know your bet way. Jine pass ye discount me bet me dia revive ye football no. Ti yenko bet way ni yenko twe bet na bet way say all my bet and say bia what your bet ni bebrebe on. Na won say bet ba kumienu we bet ma sell bet no. Bet we amount the opportunity now for the SL bet no way year frame and no bet we bet saver. What you saying? Bet we there. Hey, me say o bet and say the city biano. You bet managing na kopim so benya sikadia gubutum. And it is a chow bet na ma refi say a bet way. How na woko na for kwa chow bet no. And no a betway.com.gh na fe where how come and we chow bet no. Na bibia timi akoye at the amount. May come for years. Toothpaste no at the amount upe toothpaste at the abrase was here a yas toothpaste na make come for the amount your yas total care and your yas herbal toothpaste your yas whitening toothpaste ni nyina no the design bit my boss no ban mo be free cinema ama wo se no ne ho aye den kama ama bibia tum akoye di amount me patro adaro ba se eba the toothpaste na wo wura mu akode yas geribi yes awo yas toothbrush no bit my bow na fe etima brush with no yas toothbrush no be more skillful be bia wo se de asi abo atata ho bia ne be wuram na etima yi fini nyina na de bia wo se na pai fita na ho aye den kama eno ye yas enti yas de be bia boko bia no obia se yas what I say kona kwajo de afa cloud internet ene internet ameka for de man say wo office wo fie ho be bia wo person connect to internet na jai farmer cloud internet for na o meye adwuma no so enfama o mo say install CCTV cameras what I say nti o per quality installation na no akomo no ma be install CCTV